Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time for the Crypto BlackSheep Show with Island Boy Shane.
Island Boy Shane.
Get it.
It's a sheep talking. Island Boy. DJ. Shout out to the Island Boy Shane. Hey, it's Island Boy. This goes out to Island Boy Shane, Crypto BlackSheep, and the DJ Protocol community. Island Boy.
We got Magni in the house.
Shout out to the Island Boy Shane. Shout out to the Island Boy Shane. It's a sheep token. Going to the moon. Drip pops and poles gonna make us all rich. The DJ Protocol.
What's up, guys? We got 6 people out there. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
What up?
What up? Oh, how's
Shit.
your day?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Oh God, it's him. Oh,
What's up, man?
oh, geez. Where's your shirt, dude? You got the hat.
I just got home, man. I don't know. Popped on.
You better hurry and go put on your Swing Trade Pro shirt, man.
It's all good.
And tell them what they get for $67 a day or a month. A day.
Come on, it's pretty crazy shit, right? I posted a trade a month ago. I know it was a long time ago, but that coin just ripped like 50% today. Boom,
Nice.
just right out of the fucking wedge.
Which one?
RLC.
You seem to have more of a positive record than negative record when you make calls.
Try, man. That's the goal, right?
You know, of course, if you have a bad one, then people, oh, look at this guy. Well, nobody can fucking be right every time. But you have a pretty good fucking pretty good record from what I've seen over the last year plus. Shit, you've been around us for what? A year and a half now, probably since we were in Wick Hunter or before that, huh?
I think before that, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I started STP in October of 2019, so it's been 2 or 3 years since I've been doing this stuff. Yeah.
Hey, how many pennies are we gonna make today in Avarice?
Probably like 2.
Oh, that shit got rugged, huh?
Oh, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, the developer, I guess, stole a bunch of money or something.
Sounds about
Fucking
right.
shitbags. Fucking shitbags.
Every time. Well, and that was the one thing that people felt comfortable with was that, oh, well, these guys, they haven't always necessarily had the most successful projects, but they never rug pulled. That was the thing people would say.
BT's shilling elephant token again? God.
Of course he is. Is he probably shilling them peanuts?
You should be here in a little bit.
Yeah. And then we're going to make you do TA on only BT stuff. We're going to start with Flow. Where could we find a chart on Flow just to fuck with him? Evan could be like, look at this piece of shit right here.
Oh, man.
There's wherever TRX, where are TRX fucking charts, bro? I bet you might be able to find Flow still.
Oh, it's a fucking Tron asset. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Yeah, that was his fucking. That's where Drip came from. Flow.
Yo, so what's cool is Todd just updated this price flow indicator, man. This thing is fucking dope. So you can see, I'll show you guys real fast.
Hang on a sec. I got to get this airdrop out real quick.
Oh yeah, do whatever you gotta do. It's pretty cool. Like, so you guys will see in a second, but the asset like turns white when you get to a top, and then like it turns gray when we're at like a bottom. It's pretty cool. And if you obviously understand like RSI and momentum shifts, then you know.
If you know, then you know. Oh,
Did you see Injective Protocol make a hockey stick today? See that fucking shit?
who did?
Injective Protocol.
They made a hockey. Oh, you mean like on a chart? I'm assuming a hockey stick literally looks like a hockey stick.
It was literally a fucking 40% breakout. Yeah.
Why don't I have fucking fur in here?
Volumes supported it too. It was pretty big move up. Just boom, 30% candle. Like, rip.
What's up, Dave Bender?
He's going on a bender.
Oh, you know me, man. Just hanging on like a hubcap in the fast lane.
Just, I was thinking more like with your love for football teams. I was thinking more like a monkeypox, just hanging onto a butt cheek.
That's funny. I was at work today and I put on a mask and I was walking around telling people to stay away from me because I had monkeypox.
You got to be careful in that area you live in. They'll be like, "Oh no, Jesus Christ!"
Right?
I'm still in this long on SNX right now. I'm lit. I did 5x. I just like on a $500 account, just a small account challenge.
Oh God, here's trouble.
There he is, the bank teller himself.
Yeah,
telling everyone where to bank.
I'll tell you where to bank.
He's telling you to bank what in drip, right?
No. Elephant.
What's up, ET? How you doing?
Good. Am I coming in loud and clear?
Yeah,
you're good.
We were looking at Ave for you, or I was.
Oh shoot. Good or bad?
I mean, you're coming into resistance, but more than likely going to break it. I just want to see some volume come in to support this move. But yeah, I think a big move is coming for Ave. How about that? Daily chart looks coiled up. Once you break like 115, it's over. There's nothing here. It'll just go straight to like 160.
Mm-hmm.
Easy. All the DeFi stuff is going to rip right now. All the DeFi charts look like they're going to the moon. Like, I literally want to put like 10 grand into fucking sushi swap right now. PT, you should just stake me, dude. Just stake me, bro. I'll just grow that account for you. I know you got all this flow just hanging around.
you know, Bankteller, he's rich. Just tell him to give you some of his marketing funds.
Yeah, just give me all the elephant marketing funds. I'll just turn it into more marketing funds for you.
Hey, my buddy that owns Find Your Edge Trading, he did that for his friend. He just pumped an account for him. He gave him like $5,000 or something. And he was supposed to get it up to like 15 or something. And he was having so much fun. He just didn't even stop. He just kept going. Like, I think he ended up like 45,000 or something on it.
And then he stole the money?
No. They're stock traders.
Same. I'm gonna buy some sushi, man. Like, I gotta show this chart when he's done, man. This thing is just gonna. It's about.
Yeah, this is gonna take me a minute. I'm just hooking up everybody fat today on this airdrop. So,
what are you doing?
I'm not in.
I'm pulling a little bit from the top accounts. So
You have to
fatten
do
up.
it through BSC scan.
Yeah. This thing's taking forever right now.
What? Why do you have to do it through BSC scan? What's the reason for that?
No, I'm sending it on MetaMask. I was getting the contract editor. So
Oh, okay. So you're sending all the other wallets to the main one?
Really?
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, splitting it. Yeah, sending half to the main one.
Okay.
It sucks because you get taxed that way, but it's the only way to do it with the way this.
So what's my sushi swap doing good?
Dude, it hasn't even done anything yet.
I
It's gonna
bought
moon.
more.
It's gonna moon, dude. It's gonna moon. Just be patient.
Sushi swap is what? ETH, right?
Yeah.
You guys like my shirt?
Yeah, you've worn that before. It's cool though. It looks real. It looks realistic.
I scared a little girl at the car wash today. She started
Oh, I
crying.
bet you did.
He's all, you probably are wearing that. What were
He
you
goes,
wearing?
Mommy, there's a spider on his shirt, and then there's one on his back too.
Yeah, you're probably wearing a San Francisco hat. She's like, Mommy, an old cocksucker.
Fuck off.
Oh man, stop talking about San Francisco fans like that, bro.
Fucking
That's
cocksucker.
San Francisco's
Of
the
course, I
greatest
sent him to the
football
wrong
team
fucking
ever.
route.
Oh, we got to break out in a back test. Oh my God, sushi swap.
We got
about to
a
go
Warriors
absolutely
basketball
nuts.
team that's won 5 out of 6 world championships.
Fucking son of a-
Yeah, but they were one of the worst teams in the league. Fucking.
The only team that beat him was that piece of shit gay team up in Toronto.
The Bay Area is gayer than Toronto. Well, I don't know. Isn't Toronto like the San Francisco of?
Try to buy some property in San Francisco, okay? Try to buy.
Oh, I would never. Why would I want feces
That's
covered
right.
property?
Fucking property there is some of the highest. Some of it's even higher than Las Vegas for property.
Oh, I know. It for sure is. The Bay Area is one of the most expensive areas in the U.S.
That's right.
Doesn't mean it's good.
You know that Nancy Pelosi's worth $300 million.
Damn, really?
Her husband's the
You
greatest
know what's
stockbroker.
funny though? You know what's funny is so her and all these Democrats when they were going on the news saying about no one's above the law about Trump getting raided by the FBI, but then like right now Nancy Pelosi's husband is probably gonna walk on a fucking DUI where he hurt somebody. Why? And he's getting away with all this insider trading. Because why? Because only some of them are above the law?
That's right.
I don't know, man.
Not who you know, it's who you blow.
Oof. That was a
It
good
just
one.
sucks because even if they really find legitimate shit in Trump's fucking, after the raid, if they find something for real that it's like, this is Trump, it's for real. The way
Oh,
they
this is
handle-
taking forever. I'll do it on the other screen. Go ahead and do what you're doing.
the way that they've been handling it though, it is fucking. I'm gonna have a hard time believing anything that the Democrats say.
Yo, so I want to show you guys this indicator. It's pretty dope. It's called the price flow indicator that we build here at STP. And every single time we get these white, obviously this isn't the best example, but if I go to the daily chart, maybe it's a little clearer. So every single time it turns white like it did here, this is signaling a top, okay? And every single time it turns gray, it's a bottom, right? So even here, this is a nice bottom. You've been able to trade that. And then it started turning white up there, right? So you would have caught a 60% move just off this price flow indicator right here. Right? So here it's gray, right? And we're not showing any signs of white right now. This is on the daily chart. That means this has lots of room to run, right? And not only that, it's in a massive pattern, right? It's just been downsloping, consolidating for quite some time. We went sideways for a bit. And it's just sitting in bullish territory, coiling here. You can see how this is making higher lows on the RSI, and it's also making lower highs here, but you got this looks like it's coiling up, right? It's like a triangle. And then you can also see this looks like maybe a cup and handle type of structure, which is a continuation pattern. This is on a daily chart.
Where's the dick?
Well, we didn't draw one this time.
In your mouth.
No,
Hands are up, hands are up, hands are up, hands are up.
Yeah, okay.
All right, BT.
So what are we looking at on Sushi Swap?
We
$10?
just looked. This is looked. Oh, we just looked at Sushi Swap. What are we looking at?
You didn't say your projection, like $10.
I mean, it depends on the market condition, right? So, I would say your first major real target is this $3 region. All right, so you're looking at a double up, easily a double up, and I mean that pretty.
I think we paid like $1.13 the other day when you gave it to me.
I don't know. It was probably in this $1.40, $50 range. It hasn't really been doing
Maybe
anything.
that's what it was.
Yeah, it's been sitting here, right? So, but yeah, it's gonna start to rip here shortly. It's literally out of this wedge and just consolidating. So,
I don't think anybody bought any but me.
Hey,
Yeah,
PCM, what's with your name being Dave Davis and you've got the Mr. Potato Head E&J as your picture? Were you on some other fucking live stream pretending like you were someone else?
Oh, I forgot. My browser reset today, and that's my name on YouTube, so nobody knows who I am. I forgot to change it to Mr. Big.
So my synthetics trade is pretty lit right now. I'm up 47% on this trade right now. On 5x leverage. Pretty much double this trade.
That's my alias, Dave Davis.
You got a lot of aliases.
Hey, Dave Davis and Dave Bender.
Yeah, there you go.
Going on.
Hey, wait.
Couple of boys from California.
Is it coincidental you're two Cali boys that are Frisco fans and are going to the game together?
Hey, eat a dip.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys will be eating lots of dicks. Guarantee. Oh, at least you will, fucking Mr. Big. Dave Bender, you lucked out because Mr. Big's got a little soft noodle, unless that's what your preference is.
So you mean they don't call him
drive Corvettes? We leave that for you queer boys.
For the men, you leave that for the men.
Yeah,
They can afford them.
All right, so
the old gay men driving Corvettes.
today's airdrop's going to be 158, which is about $1,200, give or take. So there you go, guys. And that gives me enough left over to send the rest to Homeboy to pay him off, and we're good. So,
All right, thank you.
Good.
Yep. Oh wait, hang on. Let me make sure this goes through.
So let's look at Tether real fast, because that's going to be the deciding factor about what this market does, right? And we just determined that when the top part of the assets turn white, that's a top, right? So we're on the weekly chart right now, and what are we flashing on Tether right here?
Top.
Why are we having a pump on ETH right now?
So McTavish.
Why are we having a pump period, right? Well,
But why is ETH going up $1,000?
Why the fuck not, dude?
I know, but I thought maybe you would tell us why it's pumping.
Probably because of this whole merge news, right? The merge 2 news, and
We got 21 people out there, guys. 22 people out there.
anyway,
I've gotten almost 7 FURIO since you started doing these airdrops. Thank you very much.
so basically, what we're looking at here is if Tether closes below
Hi boys, what's up?
the 21 weekly EMA, we're looking at a retest. Tether's going to retest this breakout. All right. That's when you probably want to take some profit, okay? Because after you get a breakout and a retest, you're going to get a bounce there, right? Most likely. So, in my opinion, that's where I'm going to be exiting a lot of these positions that I entered up here. And not financial advice, of course, but every single time you end up coming back to make a retest, you're going to get a big bounce.
So is $2,000 ETH not out of the woods right now?
It's not. Actually, I think anywhere from 2,000 to 2,250. All right.
Wow,
Just
that'd
like
be great.
I think $28,000 to $30,000 Bitcoin is possible. All right.
Yeah, because that money we have in EMP is what is tied to ETH. So when ETH pumps, all that money pumps.
So yeah, I'm in this trade right now. I got in around $3.80 on a lev trade, and I set a take profit pretty conservatively up to about 360 because see this 200-week moving average right here. We could pause here and kind of pull back, right? So even though this is gray and it's showing maybe this could be a bottom, and the RSI is also in agreement with that, we can see that we made this like bottom and then double bottom, right? Like the momentum shifting here, right?
Shane likes those double bottoms.
No,
Yeah.
really.
So we'll probably test up to 53 on the weekly chart, which should, put this asset.
What is SMX?
Synthetics.
Oh, it's synthetic.
So, yeah, looks pretty good. Looks pretty strong. Loop ring is another one, right? We've been talking about loop ring for quite some time.
Yeah.
And, we're not near the top, right? The top happened up here. You can see, we got a breakout, and now we're back testing, and the asset's turning gray down here, which this could be signaling that this is bottom, all right, for this asset.
Yeah, I bought a bag of it.
Just be patient. Just be patient. It's going to make a big move here soon. All right. BT, you want to look at elephant token?
Sure.
All right. So here's elephant token on Dex Screener versus BUSD. So this thing went straight down, right? We know this is the exploit. So, but as soon as we get above this 89.70 region, there's nothing here. Because it went straight down, we could literally just go straight up to this area right here. Okay? Like it literally can just go straight up.
That's what he's guaranteeing.
There's no guarantees in trading, but the probability of that happening is extremely high.
Yeah, and the mechanics are too.
All right, so here's the MACD, which gives you moving average convergence divergence, and we can see there's no sellers, right? No one's selling. No negative pressure at all. Just buying. We went completely bullish on the daily, right? Unfortunately, I can't look at more. Well, I guess I can look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart is about to cross up. Okay, big move coming for this asset. All right. And yeah, you can see a long-term trend line here. Look, here it is. All right, just sitting.
The volume's a little weak, though, right?
All you got to do is break this right here. You break this, you're looking at almost a 300% move.
Don't be telling BT that.
You just made me buy more.
No.
Sorry. Hey, BT, bro, where's my tip? Come on.
Checks in the mail.
Yeah, right.
He's thinking about getting another.
I'll tell my wife that the check's coming in the mail. Hey, Jackie, the check's coming in the mail.
Hey, you're making BT think about buying another BMW.
He's leasing them.
BT should just ship me 1 trillion elephant tokens right now, because he knows in like a couple weeks he'll just make his money back, no problem, 300%.
Yeah, it's not going to take much to move the price. We're in the parabola already.
Nah, we bounced off this. It's not really a parabola yet.
No, but I'm not based on TA. That's purely driven by the AMM. So literally, it's driven by the amount of tokens left in the liquidity pool. So what's driving that exponential function is not sentiment, but literally, the tokens that are left. So the machine is sucking them out.
Well, suck them good, buddy.
Fuck, speaking of suck 'em, I was just sent you a DM sheep and I just saw that. screenshot from yesterday. The guy who kept trying to. Oh man, that's disgusting.
I just want to talk. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys, we had some troll coming on here yesterday, right? And he was trying to like get on the show. And then when we let him on, I thank God I got him off quick. I knew he was up to something. He like his instead of a video of him, it was like some dude sucking on some other dude's prolapsed asshole.
Nice.
Literally, not nice.
Yeah, that's what you see every day
Yeah, no,
on YouTube.
no.
I'm sure Mike, Cabby Mike probably liked it.
Oh my God, I was
Oh,
like,
yeah, you
Black
loved
Sheep
it.
all laughing his ass off. He's like, check your DMs. And I'm like, oh my God, he got the screenshot. And I was like,
Is there
what?
more? Is there more information we can see zoomed in a little higher?
Of the
Or
prolapsed
actually-
asshole, we might be able to zoom in a little more.
Yeah.
What else you got, BT?
Prolapsed asshole.
Any other assets you want to look at?
Nah, not really. But but I was wondering, what can looking at what can we learn from this price movement based on like the 4-hour zoomed in more a little bit?
Well, you're at a resistance point right now. Literally, you can see you're at a resistance on the 4-hour. You got to get above this area here. If you break above 85.91, you can literally straight up shoot to 9,037. You break above that, there's literally nothing. It's just twig and thatch. There's nothing here. It can literally just go straight up to 35.051.
Yeah.
Yep. That's it.
Hey, if you looked at grip, it's up $1.50.
I know. I already called that thing breaking out at like $6, $5.
Oh. Yeah, up to $9.50 right now.
That's
PT,
nice.
how's that Cardano buy at like 40
They go
cents?
up, they go
straight
down.
I got out of my Cardano play. Was that a mistake?
Yeah, for sure. Mistake.
Oops.
I mean, it's a slow mover though. It's not gonna just fucking like rip like all these other coins. You know, once Cardano breaks above like what is this? Yeah, 55 cents. It'll just shoot up to 70 cents real fast. There's nothing here. But I still think one of the best looking charts in crypto right now is BNB versus BTC, man. This is one of the most bullish looking charts I've ever seen.
We hope so.
Yeah.
There's nothing to hope, man. The chart says it all. The chart says it all.
That's baked right into the DNA of Elephant. So I'm really, really pleased with just picking Binance Smart Chain.
Hey, Evan, Solitude wants you to look at BAIOT.
Yeah, I love Smart Chain. That's all I use.
What that is. BAIOT. Never heard of it.
Some shitcoin.
Probably a shit coin. Probably something Morpheus bought.
There's not really too much to look at here other than this coin's just in a massive downtrend.
Something Morpheus saw in PooCoin.
So, yeah, I don't know, man. There's nothing really to talk about here.
It looks like
It's in a big downtrend.
Oh, another thing. Trevon James started a new coin called More Coins. See what? Can you look at that real quick? MORE.
Oh shit!
Sounds like Mario or something.
Who's making noise?
Not me. I'm not playing nothing.
All right, so downsloping channel for this one. Rejecting the median heart line here, coming back down, maybe making a higher low. That's what you can hope for, and then maybe try to rally to the top of the channel. But if you don't break the top of the channel, you're just going to come back down. So you want to see this really break out of the channel and then back test it as support before maybe going higher. All right.
So look at MORE. That's new Trevon James coin.
More USD?
Yeah, more USD.
I get it. Trevon James.
It launched yesterday.
I don't think you could pay me to buy this shitcoin, dude.
Yeah. I don't buy nothing from Trevon James. He cost me 20 grand in Bitcoin, motherfucker.
Mother trucker. So I sold my bag of this shit. I feel dumb right now.
What's that?
Synthetics. I don't know why I panic sold yesterday. I panic sold a couple positions I was in. I don't know why. I just. It's all good.
How's your some of your trades doing?
They're all lit.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, every single one of them is lit.
When are you going to take profit?
I just did on synthetics.
Oh.
But yeah, I mean these are my open trade. These are my open.
Yeah,
trade.
movie. Yeah, the movie, the glamour.
Up, moving, hands up.
Oh, yeah, that's right. How's that movie?
That's one of them ones he starts jerking off to.
Wow, you're up 22% on that. It's pretty good.
Yeah. I'm up the most.
Oh man, I sold my polka dot. God damn it.
Yeah, I don't know why you did that, bro. It was in a falling wedge.
How's
Look,
FURIO?
It's better he sold that than fucking elephant or something, okay? Or trunk.
Dude, Dot's gonna go to like $16 real quick.
Have you guys seen FURIO already?
I'm
Yeah,
gonna look at FURIO. Yeah.
it's at
Okay.
739, something like that.
Oh, weird. Didn't I say this thing was gonna come down after it made the stop? Weird. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, fuck off, Cross. Okay, I didn't bring that. Felipe brought that.
Ross,
Okay?
that was here on the live stream.
Yeah, Felipe brought that to me, fucker. Okay, so it wasn't my deal.
550, man, for this asset right here would make a lot of sense.
What?
Straight up, straight down. Yeah.
First going to 550? Holy shit!
Why not?
Norbert's gonna shit himself. How about that one, VAR?
That sucks. I got into FURIO at 10.
Could have asked me before you got in, pal. What do I know? I just look at charts all day.
I got in at 17 and 10, I think.
VAR, is that a stock or a crypto?
I don't know.
It's crypto, I think he said.
It's not on TradingView. It's got to be a complete shitcoin. This one? Variegate token? Oh, variable.
Hey,
It's
I know
a-
you don't want to hear
it's
this.
It's
I know
a
you don't want to hear
$2,000
this.
market cap, dude.
Varsity, he said.
Yeah.
Varsity.
I know you don't want to hear this, Evan, but the fucking masternodes are pumping.
I'm sure.
They're fucking pumping.
For them. What isn't pumping right now?
Cake.
Yeah, it did.
Cake is awesome, man.
Oh yeah, Saga's up over.
You guys
7.
aren't in masternodes, you're missing the boat.
Yeah, I didn't even notice Mike's like Saga's up over 17% right now.
I know. And SAP's up. SAP must have an all-time new high.
No. We're still like over 100 Satoshis below that.
Anyways, boys, I'm probably gonna head out of here, but
Right
All
on.
right.
Don't act like you got anything better to do.
Thanks for that. For free.
Oh damn!
Tell them, hey, Evan, tell them what you got for $67 before you go.
yeah. So if you guys are interested in knowing when to buy and sell assets, like I'm kind of pointing out to you guys on the stream here, you guys can subscribe to my service, $67 a month, where I provide all that information for you.
Yep.
All right, and this is what you get. You get access to our private Discord, and I give crypto trades, and I give stock swings. And I gave Snapchat the other day, and Snapchat made a nice little move today. It's going to make a bigger move. It's got some massive weekly bullish divergence. American Airlines gave that call out $15. AMC, this one's up a bunch. You're into stocks. Canopy Growth, wheat stock up 20% today. All right.
Like
And
you
then
said, what isn't pumping?
Yeah, but it's about getting into these things before they pump, right? And so we identify that for you for really nothing. $67 a month, you can make a lot of money real fast. All right. And
He gives out free calls right here, folks. All
I
you
do
have to
give
do
out
is
the
listen.
free calls are right here. You can see all
But
these.
you get way more if you subscribe to him.
Correct.
Yeah.
Way more. What about your futures guy and shit?
Yeah, so
Or-
we have a gentleman that also gives out futures trades.
Yeah.
I also do sometimes give out the scalp trades, but not very often. I'm more of a long-term swing trader.
And then
so
you
I'm-
got an options guy too, right?
do have an options guy if you guys are interested in options trading. He's got about an 80% win rate. He's a really good trader. Okay. And yeah, he's sitting here all day giving you calls or puts or basically whatever you want to trade. So today he traded Workhorse. He traded WDC. Looks like he got stopped out on it. CLNE stopped out. He's holding FCEL, CLNE, GS, all these different tickers, right? So if you guys are interested, swingtradepros.com. It's the stocks and crypto alerts service. Make sure you guys check it out. And if you're interested in learning how to chart and trade, we also have basic indicator package. That's 50 or 60, also $67 a month. It comes with 10 different trading indicators, as you see on my screen here. I don't have all 10 on, but comes with 10 in the package.
Hey, for all the people that are too stupid, can you put the link in our DGen protocol, and then we can go ahead and pin it? I know we did it the other day for you. I hope that it's getting you maybe something.
Sure. Let's see. So for the stock options and crypto alerts, I could post that.
Sure.
And here's the stock options and crypto alerts if you want my trade calls. If you want to try out our trading view indicators. You guys should make Chris, you should make a referral link so people can sign up under your referral and you can get affiliate commission for it. All right?
Right.
If you have a Swing Trade Pros account, you can do that.
Yeah,
That goes for anybody, by the way. If any of you guys are listening and want to help STP grow, we really appreciate that, obviously. And we give 10% on affiliate commission for after their second month of subscribing, you get 10%.
Nice.
All right.
Cool.
Thank you guys so much. And Chris, again, thank you so much for letting me on the stream.
Thanks, man. Yeah, no problem.
And we'll catch you guys, all right?
We'll see you, dude.
Thanks.
Awesome.
Yeah, bro.
It's official. Norbert, go ahead and shit yourself. He didn't check KSM, did he? Norbert kept asking. Once he said he's going to shit himself, I was like, I'm not telling Evan to check it. All right, Norbert, go ahead. So, what you got going on in BT land over there? You could tell us about.
I think right now, and I gotta run too in a bit. But it's actually my birthday week. Birthday was yesterday, and I'm just
Your
celebrating.
birthday was yesterday?
Yeah, I was kind of
happy-
low key about it. I didn't want to
happy
say
birthday.
anything in the
Happy birthday. What are you like? What are you like? 65 now?
Yeah, something like that. But I got this new hair dye. I love it. So no, but I guess I mean just like Evan said, man. We're he gave the technical analysis, but the fundamental analysis is going to really drive that chart, and that that volume that we need to pump that price is going to come from the sustained volume is going to come from the raffle participation, which has been pretty strong and steady, and
Sure, it has.
and also and then also the FOMO that's going to just naturally follow the price action, because everyone's going to be able to see that volume, see the same the same TA that we just saw. It's just going to make more and more sense. But the difference is there's not going to be a top really. So I think for everyone who's everyone who's in DGen protocol who has had more than enough time to buy, sell, rebuy elephant token. Now's a really good time to get that bag before it pumps more, and then you simply hold it because there's going to be no chill on this token, and that's what's going to be the real differentiator, because like he's saying, like a lot of the tokens that we just looked at, they're going to pump, but they're also going to dump. But Bertha's going to hold a backstop, and we're going to be like sitting out there with this huge rise, and it's not going to go down, and people are going to be wondering why and picking up more at the same time. The other alpha right now is that once we pass the 10 cent per million, which we should be able to blow through in the next couple of days, just based on raffle volume alone. We are going to be basically at 100 million, fully diluted market cap. So that's going to get us picked up by bots and things like that are going to trade us higher.
What's going on, people?
Nice.
Any questions on that before I go? Or
Nah, man. Pretty
Hey,
straightforward.
are you coming to Vegas or what? You coming to PulseCon?
I don't know. This just depends on what's going on. Yeah.
Hey, I heard there'll be tall trannies for you to dance behind.
Come on, bro. Fucking come to PulseCon. So we're all going out to dinner. Come out. Come hang out, bro.
Oh my God. Is Richard Hart going to actually have Pulse done by then?
No, of course not.
I can't. Is Richard Hart going to be at PulseCon? Even?
Well,
I don't know.
I don't think so, but somebody said he was supposed to be a guest speaker, and there was some article online that said he was going to be a speaker, but it's probably going to be remote. Because I don't really think he's allowed in the U.S. Maybe I don't know.
He's pretending like he's in the U.S. right now, but he hasn't proved it.
It's all just Paul. I've just I don't know.
Bro, it would be amazing to have you come out here and come to dinner with everybody and fucking hang out for a night.
That would be cool. What about Pulse? Have you guys looked at Pulse? We should have got him to look at Pulse Doge. I hear that's doing well.
Yeah, I heard it's mooning.
Didn't he look at that like a week or two ago?
Yeah, he did. He said it was mooning.
By the way, dude, I went to fucking claim on my FURIO, and I'm fucking I'm timed out for whatever. I'm on a cooldown. I can't claim. I claimed yesterday, and I was gonna claim today. So apparently I'm on a cooldown.
This shit's ripping.
Well, let's see how we're doing on Averac.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Little Averac.
How many tokens did we get on FURIO today? On drop.
One.
I sent out 158, I think. So.
All right. Well, I don't know why the fuck I'm on a cooldown or why they're doing that. That's the type of shit in a program I fucking hate. Like, fuck you. You know what I mean? And by the way, dude, I had 2 chicken thighs for dinner and a small cup of pinto beans from El Pollo Loco with a little bit of green salsa. And I just tested. Shut the fuck up.
Your doctor's appointment yet?
Yeah, yes. So look.
Okay.
After 1 hour, I tested my sugar because that's when you should be spiking like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
And I'm at 140.
I don't care. Your fucking A1C is over 10. That's where that's what you got to change. Okay. That measures your blood sugar for 3 months. That is a real fucking test. The daily
no
is
shit.
fine, but when you're that fucking high for 3 months, that heart's been pumping like fucking crazy for 3 months.
I thought it's been pumping like crazy because all the fucking I was doing.
Well, you're gonna be on top of Wendy, and that fucking old ticker is gonna just die, and you'll be laying there limp.
Well, one of you fucking studly gentlemen can come fill my shoes.
And then you'll be with your good old buddy Jim up there in that fucking crypto world in the sky.
Don't worry, you asshole. You'll be fucking joining us within just a few short fucking moments.
Well, I'll tell
We'll
you
be
what,
waiting.
you might beat me up there the way you're going.
And I'm gonna give you a fucking ride in a Mustang EV when you get up there.
That's so funny.
What, you don't like the Mustang EV either?
You sure that when you get in that elevator, it's going up and not down?
Oh yeah, it's going definitely up.
Just checking.
I definitely understand why some people are upset, but you know,
It's not a fucking Mustang. That's why we're upset. It's not. It's a fucking Tesla with a horse on it.
yeah, but like, and what you have to understand is that remember your generation and when they fell in love. Well, young people thought the Mustang is a young person's car, and the world is printing nothing but snowflakes. So that's what a Mustang's gonna look like.
I guess I'm gonna. I'm gonna go. I gotta go to the fucking doctor. I'll be back.
That's cool. We're getting a lot of engagement on Twitter. This one seems normal today. Hello, welcome to the stream.
Hey, be careful. That could be the same person from yesterday because those three from yesterday was the same person.
Listen, that person just has to show their fucking titties, and then they'll be accepted.
Hey, Mike, did you see that guy sucking on that guy's toes yesterday?
Nope, don't really want to see that either, Mike.
Yeah, you come over and hang out in the Telegram and get to know us first. We're not letting anybody on the
wouldn't enjoy seeing that.
Yeah,
Nobody
after
knew what I was
yesterday,
doing.
no, we don't let random fucking Twitchers on here.
Yeah.
But
you don't like toe sucking from two guys, then, Mike, huh?
No.
Okay.
Unless one of the guys has tits.
Okay.
But a pleasure, guys. And,
all right, cool.
Where the fuck do you gotta go? You got nothing going on in life, bro.
Just gotta hang out. Just gotta hang out.
Hey, did you get lucky on your birthday?
I did not. I did not.
Bullshit.
I did not. No, the birthday was celebrated with the fellas, so no.
Oh.
So you got real.
I'm going to the doctor. You guys fucking have a good night. BT, peace out. See you.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, no tall trannies dressed as mermaids at your at your birthday or nothing.
Right on.
Rest assured, there were still lots of
trannies. Gotcha.
Female nudity, but no. Otherwise, but not no getting lucky last night.
Yeah, someone came in here yesterday sucking another dude's asshole or something.
Prolapsed asshole. Yeah, if you've never seen it, it's kind of fucked up, and I'll never forget it. And now every time until it goes away, every time I look at my DM with BlackSheep, I see the screenshot he sent me of the guy sucking on the prolapsed asshole.
On the old rosebud.
Oh, that's beyond a rosebud.
Bye, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, peace.
All the talk of prolapsed assholes.
You scared him away.
Yeah. Right.
How's Safu doing? Is it Safu?
It's trying to find a bottom.
Oh, guess not so Safu.
Trying to. I mean the 2% pretty much keeps up with the price drop. I'm not really in profit, but I'm kind of a little bit down still, But it if it swings up, I'm in profit like almost immediately. I think at like $14 I'm in profit. So
okay.
So it doesn't have to go too far. But I got in up here originally, and I just DCA'd yesterday, like right here. Yeah, right there. So I'm just gonna see what it does the next couple of days.
Well, I hear FURIO has that LMS.
Yeah, they're gonna be doing the LMS thing.
Okay.
Starting this week, I guess.
What the fuck are you putting on there, Johnny Blaze? Yeah.
All right, I better run so I'm not late. Peace out.
Who deleted
All right,
it?
cool. Later, BT.
Who deleted that one? They beat me.
What? Hook it up with a PulseCon ticket. Yeah, I wish I could. We have a code for a discount.
Yeah, I had to pay for one.
Yeah, I had to pay for mine.
Yeah.
Well, actually, no, I got one free.
I knew it. It is.
Yeah.
I think you got a free one there, Sheep.
Yeah.
Look who it is.
but
See, that is
but
that
I
same person.
I paid for 2 fucking mansion party tickets too, though.
Oh.
Oh, you bought 2 mansion party tickets?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. Well, Sarah's supposed to come, so.
Oh. Why didn't you buy her damn own?
She wants to come see me play.
You ain't gonna learn. Should have made her buy her damn own.
Which
Yeah.
Sarah?
Be like, I bought your car, you could buy your ticket.
Right.
Your sister or your old girlfriend?
No, my friend Sarah. Well, she's my friend now.
Oh, all right, your friend. Okay.
Yeah, we took a step back. We're just friends now.
You're just taking a break.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, he's trying to find his tranny love on what was that, Tinder?
Tinder, yeah.
Tinder.
I got some pretty good luck on there so far.
People still use Tinder? Isn't it really just like a hookup site? Back in the day, that's all it was.
Isn't that what all of them
Yeah,
are?
something like that.
Some are more hookup than others.
They're all just hookers trying to get your money. So.
Tinder was the one where you could find like legit sluts that were going to give it away for free. They just like wanted to bang. They'd be like, "Oh, look at me, I want to fuck."
They got that new one, Just Lunch.
Yeah, this guy's starting up again.
Breaking Bad.
Just Lunch.
Yeah, that's the same dude that was. I knew it was the same guy on Twitch.
Ooh, Frog Moment.
Yeah, well, that's the same guy, Frog Moment, and that one right there.
Oh, our trolls are here. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Just keep them
Yep.
Okay, good. What, are you gonna come on the stream?
Yeah. No, he's a pussy. He always says he will. He's ashamed of his brother. Wouldn't you be ashamed?
The code. Oh, you're talking about the code for the
D-Gen is the code.
It's D-Gen. Just use D-Gen.
Yeah, but he's ashamed. I mean, Rhino's his brother. You know, he doesn't want to publicly, come on here and admit that.
You don't need the card, do you?
No.
You can't blame the guy.
No, I haven't heard from
SEC scandal in your StreamYard. Yeah. Nice. I have a feeling this new face might be him too.
I know. I thought that too.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
We will have no gay sex on the stream. Sorry.
Yeah. Sorry, no prolapse anal sucking.
Yeah. I guess that's the is that the crowd that we're attracting?
No, I don't think it's the crowd we're
Because
extracting.
of all your gay shit, man.
Oh, don't you blame this shit on me. I have never talked about no dude sucking on a prolapsed asshole. Didn't even know that was possible till yesterday. Thanks to your punk ass taking a fucking screenshot and being like, that's what we saw. Because I was too busy going, I'm not sure what we saw, but it was like something there big. I don't know. And then you're like, yeah, this is what it was.
That was like the ultimate troll, though. You got to hand it to him.
Yeah.
Like, touche.
Well, we were forced to do it.
I'm sure.
Hey, McTabb.
What the fuck?
See what we got today.
Essa aí tá legal, hein? Tô filmando aqui pra você. Porra! Rapaz! Inacreditável. Caralho, olha só isso, meu irmão. Que coisa louca, velho. A bicha pousou na minha cabeça, velho. Vai com ela pro pelotão. Que coisa doida. Maneiro demais, velho. Ah, não tô acreditando nisso não. E dona... Ó, rapaz, cadê? Olha, me dando uma... Trouxe ela pra passear? Quer sair daí não.
That would be kind of scary though. Big ass fucking wild macaws on your head.
Yeah, you could probably like bite your head off.
Yeah, he could bite your fucking ear off. That's what I was waiting. Or if you went to go up and like shoo him off of you, he could like potentially take off the tip of your finger, dude. I mean, it would be cool, but it would be fucking scary too.
There's something satisfying about this. Oh shit. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I didn't watch it this far. I only watched the beginning, and I was like,
yeah.
I was like, oh, that's cool. Wow, that is really.
That was better than I thought.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah.
Oh, Big Tavish. It's in our chat, dude. If we put it in here, the fucking ding dong who likes to fucking look at dudes sucking on prolapsed assholes is gonna come in.
In another country, you mean?
No, it's right here right now.
Do you not?
Yeah,
do you not know?
We have to DM it in Telegram or something.
Yeah.
Indiana. Okay, what the fuck? Hey, Sheep, I just put that thing showing that house blown up in Indiana.
Oh yeah?
Blew up in Indiana.
That's
Yeah.
kind of cool.
I just put it in there, look.
In the Telegram?
Yeah, it's in Telegram. Look at, watch this house blow up. Somebody's Ring camera must have caught it.
Hey,
Watch.
McTavish.
Oh damn.
I'm pretty sure I just tagged.
And then the picture below it shows an aftermath.
Right? Yeah.
What was it, a fucking meth lab?
Probably was. It's Indiana.
Where in Indiana?
Evansville.
Oh, that's right next to fucking Gary, if I remember correctly.
Damn, dude.
Must have been meth lab.
Blew the shit out of the house.
Dude, so I was like, today I was watching.
Look at the picture below it shows the aftermath.
Dude, did you know that one of the most haunted, that supposedly the most haunted house in America ever was in Gary, Indiana?
That's a fucked up area.
It's they call it the Demon House, and the guy who owned Ghost Adventures, Zach, he bought the place and he actually tore it down in 2014 after buying it.
Well, my work said when I was a truck driver, do not stop in Gary, Indiana for nothing.
Yeah, I've been to Gary so many times. A lot of times.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like a nice place.
Yeah, that my old motorcycle club, that's where they were based out of.
Oh, shit. Oh, you got to see this one. Fucking guy backing up a truck just ran over this lady standing behind him. They didn't even look.
What are you doing?
Watch this.
Don't
show your ding dong.
Look at this picture. Watch this guy back up this truck and just nail this woman. Oh God. Poor lady. Hey Shane, did you see the picture of Richard Hart at Arby's in America? We got a picture of him standing in front of Arby's.
Yeah, I think it's real, but that could also be fake. But I do think it's a real picture.
I can't hear you, Shane.
I said that could easily be faked, but I do think it's a real picture.
I don't know.
It was the video. The thing that Norbert showed me the video where he was in a car, and it does look like modern day Richard. It doesn't look like him from 10 years ago. So he might really be here, but he's fucking hiding too. And his excuse when people were asking him is he's in fear of his safety. Why is he in fear of his safety? Because people want to kill him in this country.
He's probably got bodyguards with him.
He probably does, and because he has to, dude. Because he has a fucking 25-year history of victims in this country way before Hex ever was around.
Yeah, but you can't go your whole life looking over your shoulder.
You can if you're bad enough like person. I'm not saying he necessarily is, but if you're a bad enough person, yeah, that you put.
But you've never really shown us proof that he was really a scammer.
I've shown. Yeah, Jenny says don't get me started. Jenny's seen it all. Yeah,
Yeah, but you can't believe everything you see on the internet, James.
Shit that was around way before Hex ever existed. Shit that is from fucking 10 years ago plus.
Yeah, but people change, Maybe he was getting some.
No, but when people call it FUD, you can't call something FUD that was around way before. Like people were going to start making lies about the guy 20 years before he started Hex. Come on.
But it could be another Richard Hart. I mean, that's a pretty common name.
No, his name is Richard J. Schuler. That's not even his real name, dude. You don't know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, his real name's not even Richard Hart. It's Richard J. Schuler. Yeah,
he's pulling a David Peterson then?
I don't know. I don't know shit about David.
Well, David Peterson wasn't his
show
real
you
name.
about when Richard Hart started going by Richard Hart and people were calling him out, and he said he was part of Hollywood and that's Hollywood, and once he starts asking for money from investors is when he would give his real name, which was another lie of his, and that conversation was from like 5-6 years ago.
But wouldn't you think that people are giving him millions of dollars would have looked up who he is before they gave that money?
People are stupid, dude.
Well, what about
He's probably collected more money in crypto than any other person.
the one who brought up the other day, Bernie Madoff? How many years did
Yeah, Bernie Madoff. Look at that guy. How many years? Jenny was talking about how many years was he going?
Yeah, but that was a different deal. Okay, he looked legit.
We're talking money. All right,
What's for dinner?
He didn't walk around with a bunch of big horses.
Or, dude, here's another one of his easily to disprove lies. On everything he says, he has the world's largest diamond. He owns the world's largest. That's a fucking lie. He owns the world's largest cut black diamond.
Well, it's a diamond, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's not. And Evan was on here explaining how black diamonds really aren't worth shit. They're not worth more. They're actually lower quality because they got too much carbon in them.
Yeah, and they use them for industrial.
Yeah, and he goes and he lies though and says he owns the biggest diamond in the world. That's a lie. One Google search will prove that's a lie.
Did he ever say it was not a black diamond?
No, he says I own the world's largest diamond. That's all he says. I own the world's largest diamond. The $27 million he supposedly gave to fucking to charity, which it turns out was the Methuselah Foundation, which is another scam he was involved in with Aubrey de Grey, still hasn't shown on their fucking on their paperwork any $27 million fucking donation from him. So
I mean that thing he was talking about when we were doing the sacrifice.
That's probably I don't know
that charity thing.
Yeah, that's probably another lie because they still haven't this year. If it doesn't show up on their fucking annual report, then that's another lie. He never gave 27 million. People just don't ever follow up. They just believe what they're told. We'll see. We'll see. He has to do it. If it shows up, if they have a $27 million, but last year it wasn't on their paperwork.
But people are still buying Hex.
Yeah, people can hate the guy or not trust him and buy Hex if it's something that's going to make them money. Like then
You
know what I mean?
you seen that Sheep did a power bottom on Hex?
Oh, he did, and it's been doing better. I hope Hex goes to like $1 or more.
Look at that power bottom on Hex.
Yep.
There it is.
McTavish, I just sent the fucking link. Look, McTavish, look fucking 1, 2, 3 messages above yours.
What's he need a link for?
It's always pinned, bro.
Really?
Right? Dude, you got to remember he's fucking he's Rhino's brother, so
Oh.
yeah.
You got some really knuckleheads in here.
Yeah, he's Rhino's brother. At least he's a man though.
Well, I didn't win the EMP lottery today. Fuck.
First time in how long? Or the EMP's not the one you win, it's the other one, right?
Yeah, Rex. It's a little harder to read it now with this new UI of who won and who didn't win. Right now, you can still get the win it now if you put 2,112 LP in there. Yeah, that's got to be a lot of fucking money. If you match that, you get 2% of the pot automatically.
Yeah, I don't think Hex is going to stop much from here.
Oh, somebody already claimed the win it now with 2163. Man, that's a ton of fucking money.
No link. Did you ever find it? Come on, McTavish.
That's really Rhino's brother?
Yeah.
Does he drive BMWs too?
No, he's not a fag.
Oh.
I even tagged him on the fucking on the thing.
Is he into the sheep token?
Sheep token gone to the moon.
Sheep token going to the moon.
Watch, I'll even reply to his again with it. Come on, McTavish. Sheep token. Gone. I'm gonna have to DM him. You can't figure it out, huh? Here you go. Come on. Don't show your ding dong. So I wonder if that is who is it? Like if it's a random person on Twitch doing all that dumb shit, or if it's like fucking Wiz or Hodl. I don't think it's Hodl.
Yeah, what happened to Hodl? He hasn't been around for a while.
Oh no, he's not allowed to be around.
Oh.
Right. He got asked out. I forgot all about this piece of shit.
Oh, Evansville.
How many? A few more days. Ever wrecked. Ever wrecked.
You guys hear me?
Yeah, what up?
Oh, look, there's 2 Island Boy Shanes right now.
Yeah, there is.
Island Boy Shane. Hey, Island Boy Shane. We're just going to kick that Island Boy right out of here. Twitch has been popping lately. It's one person. What?
Yeah, I
Island
know.
Boy Shane? Oh, you put him back in?
Yeah.
Just
Don't
so
kick out my boy.
Look
Yeah,
like
we got one out there on Twitch right now.
Yeah.
Those Twitch are a weird bunch, man.
That I know they're
Those
all into
Twitchers.
sucking on prolapse assholes and weird shit.
Those fucking Twitchers.
Yeah. Yep.
I think I have a steak coming due today.
Evansville, Indiana. Oh, now I'm looking to see where that thing is.
Nope, no steak.
Oh yeah, it's way down there. Right on the Kentucky border.
I got this one tomorrow. 239. Holy shit.
Huh. Good old Gary, Indiana.
Ooh, I get this one in 2 days. My 51 of 76.
Oh.
So gay.
Wow. Hey, look, you got a super chat.
That's you.
Oh, nice.
That's fucking PCM.
Finally. I haven't had one of those in a while. DeFi proof. What's up, man?
That person just entered our chat, I think,
How you
too.
doing? I've heard the name DeFi proof. I've definitely heard your name around. If you're the same guy. Welcome to the stream.
Can't wait for
Oh, yep. Ever wrecked.
We're gonna have to from now on though, after that fucking idiot, we're gonna have to anytime someone comes on in the green room, we're gonna have to like have them dox themselves to us or something.
Yeah, well.
Be like, yeah, you just have to dox yourself to us and nobody else.
No, we'll just go keep working with what works, you know.
Well, so that way I know who the fuck I have to hunt down and fucking gut if they get us.
This was unfortunate because I mean T2X was, in my opinion, much better system because I made some money there. So guy made R8 song and all the DeFi songs.
Oh,
okay,
that's
cool.
who that guy is. That's right.
Yeah. I've definitely heard your name. Right on, brother. Well, nice.
Cool.
Welcome to the stream.
So, are you gonna be at PulseCon?
Are you coming to PulseCon? You'll see us out there if you are.
Yeah, I plan on being the most hated guy at PulseCon.
Right. You probably will be.
Goals. I'm telling you, man, I'm too lazy to take the time to do it, but I should have fucking gotten like a shirt that says period, what do they call me? Period beard, as seen on Twitter.
Look at that, Shane. You should be buying some hats,
Yeah,
man. It's just fucking going to the moon.
I don't care.
Yes,
You're missing out.
I don't care.
I called that bottom.
Yep.
Called it way back here.
Look at that pump. Gonna pump itself all the way back to 50 cents.
It's
I hope
gonna
it
go
does
further-
so I can finally
go a lot
sell
further
mine.
than that, Mike. It's gonna go a lot further than that.
If it gets to 50 cents, there's gonna be a lot of rich people out there.
How's the health care in Nevada? The same as everywhere else in the states, garbage.
Why would you want to move to Nevada?
Because it's better than California.
Power bottom.
Is that where he's at in California?
No, but I'm just saying it's better than California.
Nah. Come to South County here. It's like heaven. It's heaven
No,
down
it's
here.
not.
Yeah, it is.
Fucking liberals everywhere. Fucked up. Fucking
No,
laws,
there's no.
fucking
We're all
high-
Republicans down here.
High
All
traffic.
conservatives in South County.
Bullshit.
Everybody's
high
a
traffic.
Republican. Yep.
Dude, 70% of billionaires are fucking Democrats. You have a lot of billionaires down there.
Yeah, but they don't do shitty stuff. Then if they are, no crime, no. All the roads are nice.
You guys do too have crime.
You can leave your keys in your front door all night long and forget you left them in the front
You're
door.
full of shit.
My wife left her key in the front door all night the other night.
Yeah, I've had that happen in Vegas. Doesn't mean it's fucking that's just because no one found it.
Yeah, but there's no crime around here. We don't have to worry about somebody going, open up.
Mike, you realize that crime happens in the nice areas, right? Like shit like that. They come to the nice areas to do that shit.
Okay.
Nobody wants to go fucking kick in a door and rob a house in the ghetto. If they kick in a door in the ghetto and they rob a house, it's because it's like some drug dealer's house. But like a basic fucking home invasion, nah, they come to the nice old white people neighborhoods.
Cool story, bro. Baseball bat, just ready to cold cock them with it. Okay.
Cool story, bro. Cool story, bro.
Yeah, I of course I've thought about that, but they all by looking
They're
at their
good. I was just looking at them actually. I think I started with like 8,000, like 13,000 now.
Oh, you didn't sell your steaks?
I should have a lot more. Yeah, I started some new ones.
He had to start some so that way when he's at PulseCon around all the other gay Hexicans, if they're showing off Staker app, he can't
it's
be.
not what it is.
He's got to be like, oh yeah,
it's
check
a good.
my
You see this
Staker
chart?
app.
You see this chart, dude?
He's like, check out my Staker app.
It's a good time to get in.
How's the T-shirt? Is the T-shirt coming back?
T-shirt prices. I mean, it's
and then when you sell all your steaks, you lose your T-shirt.
The T-shirt
right?
per hex always goes up. It's just the U.S. dollar.
No. When I sold all my steaks, did I lose my T-shirts?
Yeah, if you sell them, you
or is that added into what I got out of my steaks?
Yeah.
I don't understand how that T-share works.
The T-share basically, here we go to look into. Wait, no, not looking at hex. What is it? It's hex daily stats. Yeah. So for each T-share you have, and this has actually gone up like a full hex since the last time I looked at it. Each T-share gives you 6.16 hex per day.
Oh, okay.
So
I had like
right now the
T-shirt.
current T-shirt price is 23,000 hex. Like, and it always goes up. It just goes up every day. It goes up a little bit.
How do you collect that?
23,000 hex to get 6 hex a day. Well, that sounds like a great fucking investment.
No.
Yeah, if hex is a fucking 10x from here, it's a great investment.
How do you collect the T-shares?
But if it doesn't 10x,
the T-shares are what you get when you stake your hex. So when you stake your hex over here.
Oh, it adds it into your stake. Okay, I see.
Yeah. See, like each one of these stakes has like a T-share here, 2 T-shares here.
Okay.
Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So I have 11 altogether. And
man, that was up to like $7,000 one time.
Yeah. Yeah, I had a bunch of T-shirts, but I sold them all at the top and made a bunch of money. So I sold them at like 30 cents because I was buying them. I was staking them at like started at like 8 cents.
The ETH
Like right
price
now
is
is like
cheap.
perfect time to fucking hop back in.
The ETH
Woo!
gas price is cheap right now.
Yeah, it is. The Hex train. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm almost gonna have to FOMO back in now.
Remember that other Hex lie that it's the no assets ever moved as much as it has? Remember that lie? That's another funny one.
That lie. I mean, if you count from zero, it's moved a lot, dude.
It has moved a lot. No. It has moved a lot.
It started at like 1 sat or whatever. I don't know what the fuck it was.
It did what SAP did.
No. SAP has gotten twice as high, and it was at 1 Satoshi at one point. So
yeah,
we got to 50 cents.
So Sapphires is like done twice as much as Hex has.
Okay, but I'm saying Hex got to 50 cents.
I mean, there's probably a lot of them that have done that too, you know.
Oh, wait,
But
there
is a lot, bro. I guarantee there's other ones that have like whoosh that nobody knows about, but
from like ICO that nobody talks about. Yeah,
I mean, but I hate that the dude always lies about everything. Don't always try and build your shit up. If it's good, it's good. It did well. It's probably gonna.
He's shilling. He's shilling.
It's probably gonna pop out. He's called lying. He's a liar.
Tell us how you really feel, Shane.
You're so funny, dude.
You're gonna meet Richard someday, and he's gonna ask you about it.
That would be fun. I'd be like,
to see you guys locked in a room together.
Right.
You'll have all his watches and all his bitch verses next to him.
His watch is twirling behind him, trying to distract me. Fuck you, Richard. Stupid fucking watch.
Island Boys Shane versus Richard Hart. Yeah.
Yeah. That'd be like pay-per-view stuff.
That'd be fun.
That would be a hit.
Yeah, maybe it'll happen at the PulseCon.
Maybe
Richard will make a cameo appearance. And then what are you going to do, Shane?
Hexal, did you even watch that video? Because it's not artificially propped up.
See, that's a guy who was selling it. That's a guy there.
Part of their ecosystem is yield nodes, and yield nodes, if you think it as like an ETF of all their
US economy.
That's the guy that was telling me about the SAP.
That's funny.
Shit that was just artificially pumped.
Yeah, no, it's not artificial. If it's fucking, they use yield nodes. It's like basically like an ETF. You can invest into a bunch of their shit at once.
So you're saying SAP is not a Ponzi?
No, dude, that one guy did that whole thing. He went to their headquarters. He met the whole team. He even went to one of their houses and shit.
Tyrone James says everything in crypto is a Ponzi.
Well, it is everything.
Tyrone?
Yeah, he doesn't know. Hey, give him a break. Racist little white guy.
You could play that low.
Crypto is probably a Ponzi scheme.
Not just crypto, though. I mean, really, if you break it down, all economies, real estate,
US dollar is a Ponzi.
Stock market, everything, anything financial is really a Ponzi.
Hey, when do you close on that property?
Actually, it's supposed to be on the 12th, but I gotta let me check my email. I asked them.
Well, that's Friday.
Yeah, well, Friday is when it's supposed to close. But I'm trying to get it done tomorrow.
Why do you got to move it up today?
Because I just want to get it done.
So when are you going to start digging out there?
I don't know.
You going to get it like a tractor or an excavator?
Yeah.
We got 13 people out there.
You remember you got to put that slab in there for sheep to bring as a motorhome. Make sure you have those hookups for them, you know, where you can put the shitter and water and all that stuff for them. You're gonna have to dig a well and a septic tank. Yep.
Yep.
You're gonna have to hire a bunch of Julios to help you out there. You couldn't do all that shit yourself.
You're digging a well out there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be.
You have to get a permit to do that.
How far do you have to dig?
The neighbors were telling me it's about 5,000 or 500 feet in the 500-foot range. So
you got to hire a company to do that, then, right?
Oh yeah, of course you got to.
What if you strike oil?
It's not. I don't have. Technically, it would belong to whatever mine has mineral rights to all that land around there.
Really, if they found oil on your property, you wouldn't get the money out of it?
I don't know how it would work. I think I'd have to fight them.
Yeah, I guess it would
If you don't have mineral rights.
It'd look a little conspicuous if you had a fucking oil well on your property.
Yeah, all of a sudden.
Well, you could. I've seen them where they cover them, like in Carson and Long Beach. They have these covers over them, so because the people were bitching about that oil well going up and down, so they put these covers over them.
Oh, really?
Like a carport. Yeah, you could do that.
Oh yeah, look, they did send me some shit.
You got to pay closing costs and all that stuff.
If I remember correctly, closing cost is on the seller.
Do they charge you property tax when you have a land?
Yeah.
What's the percentage in Nevada?
I don't remember in that county. I have a whole breakdown, all the sheets.
So what do they appraise that property at?
It's appraised right about what I'm paying for it.
So that's what the property tax is based on, that appraisal, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you're going to be paying a lot of money.
No, it's only like what, $130, $140 a quarter, something like that.
And that digging that well is going to cost you probably 10 grand.
It'll probably cost more than that. Probably cost potentially 20 to 40 grand. So it'll cost, and then clearing it, I could do a lot of the clearing myself, me and my buddies, because we have access to tractors, and eventually I'll get my own. Yeah.
So how do you get that water out of the ground after you dig the well?
You put a pump.
Oh, you put a pump. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, there's a pump that goes at the top, and then that you'll pump from there. Usually, you pump it into like a 2,500 gallon like water tank.
Are you going to get like a solar panel? It's going
to be completely off grid. Yeah.
Yeah. So a solar panel could run the pump, right?
Yep.
Because you don't have to pump it at night. You could just pump it in the daytime.
Oh, it does. It still will pump at night.
If you'd be smart, you'd put just a big fucking build like a patio and put solar panels on it and run the whole fucking house and everything.
The whole house will be. It has to be. It has to be solar. That area is off grid where I'm buying my property, unless I want to pay like $100,000 to $200,000 potentially to bring power to the property. It's all off grid. So I'm going fully solar, and if I can, I'm going to do a couple wind turbines too.
What about paving it from the street to the property?
Well, that's right off the property. Like a paved road actually drives through my property technically.
Oh.
So
you don't have to have people drive on dirt roads to come to your house?
No.
So on Tuesday, August 16th, we're going to at 3 p.m. we're gonna have a Twitter space for DGM Protocol. Was invited over to the PulseCon Twitter Spaces thing that they're doing. It's like AMA type setting. So we got that set up. So we can
You
talk
heard any
about
more from Forex about
talk
coming
about
to
shit.
your?
Okay. Just kind of letting them know what we're about. Is that what it is?
Yeah, what we're doing at PulseCon and stuff like that. Yeah.
Hey, have we solidified what we're gonna do? Like, did you get one of those? Are we gonna get one of those photo booth things or?
Yeah, Crispy's gonna help me out with that.
Okay.
What about Forex coming on here and talking?
Who knows? He's another one, man. He says stuff, I just whatever in one ear out the other.
He sure talks a lot in other people's chats.
Yeah, well, whenever he has time, we're not a priority to him. So
I want him to think we're gonna bombard him with a bunch of shit.
nah, we've always been respectful to him. I think he knows that. Even when, we're not happy.
I mean, look at Drip Pumping. It pumped $1.50 overnight. Things could be happening.
Well, it's just that shit'll happen, man. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go down.
We could see $20 here.
If we see $20, then I'll start getting excited.
Sheep will be back to $1 million probably.
Trevon Rugg, his s'mores token. Oh, Trump's not my guy. He was just the better of the options and gave us the best economy we had in 80 years.
Hey, the Democrats Monday reelected Trump, okay? Thank you, Democrats.
I don't know, man. I don't trust that even they're not going to try and plant something at this point. I don't
Unless they put him in jail, that's the only way they're going to keep him from being the next president.
No,
because if he's convicted,
dude,
he can't run. Okay?
Dude, they rigged it once for him to lose. That for Joe Biden, the guy who has the lowest approval rating of any fucking president in modern history.
We know that, okay? We know that.
Oh, but yet he was the most famous guy in the world ever. No. The most beloved and famous guy. Even in his own party, only like 20% want him to run next time.
Not even. Well,
yeah, no problem. Should have been a little fatter this time.
Yeah, it was almost 1.5, I believe. Wasn't it? I think it was almost a full 1.5, just under that.
Hey, anything's better than nothing.
Yeah. It was like 1.4.
Beggars can't be choosy.
Nope.
Remember, we don't have Chicago Brew in here bitching.
Yeah.
Can't believe he talked about bitching about getting some for free.
Hey, I didn't know that though. Did Trump say that they cause cancer? I know he was talking about how it kills a bunch of fucking birds, which it does. Whole entire like flocks of Canadian geese. He said that Trump said that windmills, turbines can't cause cancer. I never heard that. I know I heard him talking about
how that those windmills only last about 3 years and they have to put new ones on there?
Yeah, and they can't just fix them. So they actually have this massive graveyard in like Wyoming or Montana, somewhere up there. They have, I believe, if I remember correctly, they have this massive graveyard. Like when you drive on the 80, did you ever truck along the 80, Mike, when you were a trucker?
Yeah, I used to see him hauling those things
up exactly.
down the road.
All the time you see the fucking the windmill trucks You know, taking those blades are a whole trailer.
Fuck, they're longer than that. Remember that one video we showed where the guy going across the tracks and the train hit it?
Yeah, I do.
And you know where those blades are made? They're made in fucking China.
They're actually, remember we had that conversation. Most of them are actually are Dutch.
Well, China's making a lot of them now.
China, I wouldn't be surprised if China takes over the whole fucking industry.
Yeah.
But if so, that'll make them cheaper because the whole Dutch crap is one of the reasons why they couldn't ever fix, and they
Shane, Drip's dead. Drip's dead, Shane.
Yeah,
dead.
It doesn't mean it's not dead. Look how many other ups we've had.
No, this
is Shane, you know what it takes to put those blades up? A fucking diesel truck, okay?
Damn. Dude, I don't want Drip to be dead. I got a long time to go.
Drip is not dead, okay? It'll be $20. Drip's gonna be $20 in September.
We'll see. If it does, I'll be happy. That's when I'll get happy and excited. Once I see, because there's fucking those people just waiting for it, dude, to pump so they can dump it. Those fucking pricks.
I mean, a lot of the big whales have already.
They don't scare me.
How close are you to bottoming out there, Shane? Sheep?
Yeah, your main account, Sheep. How much you got left?
You're about to.
I've been compounding 4 days a week, so this is coming up pretty.
Is that your main account right there?
Yeah.
Wow, it's down to $196,000.
Dude, it was all the way down to like 130, I think.
Yeah, right.
What the high? It was like 2 million.
Like I don't think it dropped below 100.
No, Sheep had like 4 million or something, didn't you? Or 3 million?
Yeah. I had 3 million at one point. Yeah.
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 You're still making more than like 4 or 5 people a day anyway.
Like, this should I should have max payout pretty soon.
What is your tax? What are you at? 50% now?
Yeah, it's up there. I don't even know.
So if you claim $5,000, you're giving back $2,500.
Something like that. I don't know. I usually take out over 1,000 a day. You know, so.
That's after
taxes and everything.
Right around 1,000, I think.
That's after tax.
Now, what's the worst since it dropped back down? Like in recent history, what's the worst you were doing? 800 a day after taxes?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, about 8. I think it's right about at 900 or 1,000 right now. That's what I usually take when I cash it. I don't usually pay attention though.
Yeah.
So I'll
just kind of do
tomorrow
it, yeah.
when I cash it out, we'll see exactly what I pull.
I do the same shit. I don't pay attention. I just whatever it is, it is. You know.
How's our rewards account look?
But between this and oh shit, did I?
Are you still making $4 to $5 grand a day between everything, right?
So I click on the link and it says stream has ended. I don't understand this one. But then
hey Morpheus, there was somebody put in a super chat and they were asking you a question.
Mike fucking asked you a question on a super chat.
Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and see where that's at. Hold on, give me a second.
Here, it's on the screen.
On the screen.
Yeah, that's funny. Fuck you, Mike. Area 51. We knew that was you, you faggot.
Yo, yeah, I wasn't trying to hide it. That's the only account I can do.
That's Mike, and he didn't deny it the whole time.
That's my only account that I have a hammer and I can do a super chat.
All right,
so I can ban you with that. Okay,
I can ban you. Oh, he's trying to ban me, y'all. Quick, give me a wrench so I can fuck his world up.
So don't fuck around with me. I'll ban your ass.
What the fuck? You ain't banning shit, you dusty old diaper motherfucker.
What were you doing?
Oh, it's Savage.
Hey,
yo, you guys know LinkedIn still?
Oh, is that McSavage? Oh my God, he's actually
McSavage got a camera now. Holy shit.
Yo, I'm fucking sorry, boys. It's been a while, but fuck. Shit happens.
You don't sound like Eric.
Yeah, you could tell.
You could tell.
You could
Now,
tell.
Nice chair.
He's about twice the size of fucking.
So, McTavish, are you a BMW fan?
Oh God.
BMWs are nice, but I'm a fucking bow tie man.
Oh, now I can hit. Now I can tell your voice here.
Oh, Volkswagen, man. Oh, you just lost all your tough guy points for being so big. You just lost.
Okay, Shane. We'll see when y'all get person to person.
Oh, I
See if
bet
you
him.
wanna knuckle up.
He looks eye to eye with me.
No, me and Shane are fucking straight up. I mean, I met him one time, man, and he's straight up, dude. He's a good cat. No joke.
I protected his little brother when he wasn't around. His big little brother.
So was McTavish? Were you around when Shane lived with Eric?
I've always been around Big Dog. That's my brother, Eric.
Oh, I know, but I mean, can you tell us some stories about Shane?
Oh no, he didn't. He wasn't like.
No, I don't know those stories, bro.
Oh, okay. We just thought maybe you could tell us some stories about Shane.
No, man. I live the gypsy lifestyle, man, with my mama, dude. And Eric's got his own shit going on.
Yeah, he's been hiding out in California with all the boys with his 3 series.
Yeah, he's a fucking enigma, that's for sure.
Dude, what you're turning him into a fucking redneck now?
Fuck yeah, dude. What's wrong with that?
Nothing. He might actually get rid of those gay ass cars and his fucking balls are gonna drop. They already started dropping when he got the M5.
Yo, Shane, we're just trying to get him out of those sticky fucking pants, bro.
Get him. Yeah, when he showed me his like outfit he got, I was all like, "Oh shit!" He got the taste of the country music concerts.
Yo, dude, I took him to a John Party, bro. I mean, if you don't fucking like country after John Party, dude, you got problems.
Yeah, you could tell he's Eric's brother. The way he said, "You fucking," that's how Eric says.
Yeah, John Party. That was the first concert I ever took Jenny to. Her first country concert was John Party and Cole Swindell. Cole Swindell, I don't really like.
That's fire, though, dude. That's a bad fucking show to go to.
He attracts a lot of women, though, dude.
You know it. Dude, those country shows are all about those fucking fly-ass country girls, dude.
Yeah.
No fucking joke. And check this out, too, dude. Like, I took Eric there. I fucking bought him a hat for his birthday. He showed up. And now he owns boots and a fucking jeans, bro. No joke.
He sent me a picture. I was like, Boot Barn?
Dude. No, but check this out. I jumped in the pool that night at the fucking Red Rock.
Oh, is that where that was at the Red Rock?
Yeah. I'm sure. I was surprised he didn't tell you guys I jumped in the fucking pool at that concert, dude.
You all
fucking wilding out, dude. But I jumped in the pool, and then I took my hat to go get serviced at a fucking Boot Barn.
Yeah.
The Boot Barn I took my hat to was the same guy who does John Party's hats every time he comes in town. It's his friend.
Oh, nice.
It was fire, dude.
Were you guys high?
Extremely. I mean, what are you talking about? High? Like reefer high or like just
reefer high?
Like life high.
Well, you had to be high to jump in the pool.
That's probably alcohol.
No. See, when people give me the clear liquid, I get a little looser than I used to be.
Oh, okay.
So I was drinking tequila on the fucking hand-by. So yeah, I jumped.
So you're not like a pothead like Eric is then?
What?
You're not a pothead like your brother?
Oh no, I'm a fucking stoner to the max, dude.
Hey, you just had a gay guy tell you country music is gay. You can tell he's gay because it says Hex in his name.
Yeah.
I don't know. That boy's as big as me, and he might be.
Hex
he
Jen?
might be meaner.
No, Hex Jen probably likes to siphon dick on a side time. So I mean, he's gonna say what he needs to say to fucking pass his fucking time, but it's okay.
Are you older than Eric?
Yeah.
Me? No.
Yeah.
That's my big brother. Eric's my big
okay.
brother, man.
He's just in size small as little brother.
I mean, are you taller than Eric?
Dude, he's like about my size, and Eric is a munchkin.
What happened to Eric?
You ever seen the movie Twins?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude. Just like that, for sure, dude. We'll leave it at that, dude. You ever seen Twins, dude? Pow.
Eric's Danny DeVito all the way down to the fucking ponytail.
Yo, dude, but check this, dude. He's fucking going country, dude. So his balls have dropped.
Yeah, watch, dude. He's gonna all of a sudden he's gonna have a girlfriend. I told him once he said he was getting an M5. I'm like, well, there's a start. Watch, you're gonna get a girlfriend. Your balls are gonna drop.
Yo, check this, dude. He met this fucking girl at the show, bro.
Did he?
Yo, dude, this fucking fly ass girl too, dude.
Is that why he's all of a sudden went full blown country like overnight? He's all, oh fuck! Next time I see her, I gotta. He'll probably show up in his pickup truck.
Island boy. I showed him the fucking way, big dog.
Good. Hopefully he'll get rid of those 3 Series. He'll just keep his M3 as a time long past when he used to like dudes.
Hopefully he'll sell all those fucking cars and just get a fucking nice big ass dually fucking Duramax.
Really become a fucking full blown hillbilly. He'll at least he's at least he's getting better cars. Like the M5 is like that thing with a little bit of work is a fucking really badass car.
No, that I'm not gonna lie, dude. Eric's got some fucking seriously nice fucking cars, dude.
I mean, those fucking rides are power, dude.
Especially his new M3.
The new M5.
Yo, that's power, big dog. No doubt about it. I mean, his cars are fucking nice.
Yep.
But I was the first one to ever talk him into getting a bow tie.
Getting a what?
Bow tie.
Oh,
Chevrolet.
okay.
Chevy.
Yes, dude. I'm the
No, I
one
thought
who
you
talked
said
him
ball
into
sack.
that fucking bison. The Tonka.
I heard ball sack. I was
Yeah,
like,
it sounds like ball sack to me too.
Damn, guys, what the fuck?
you said it right when I was hitting my pen, and then the computer beeped. So I.
Hey, are you high right now?
Who's that?
You.
Well, yeah, I'm high, dude.
Oh,
Who the fuck ain't high, man?
No, you were slurring your words there for a minute.
Well, I've also been drinking fucking Jack Daniels all day.
All right, that's why we thought you said ball sack.
Ball sack. So how do you like it there in Pahrump, man? It's a lot hotter than Elko, huh?
Fucking Grump sucks, bro. It's really, I mean, it's chill, but it sucks.
I had a feeling that you guys might not fully like Pahrump. Like I almost bought land out there too, because it was like there was cool shit about it, but then it's still just hot as balls with nothing to do.
Ain't nothing fucking cool about it, dude. Don't dump your money on this place.
Have you checked out those brothels yet?
What's up?
Chloe!
Have you checked out all the brothels yet?
Hey, Chloe! Oh, here comes
Ain't
my
no
dog.
fucking problems out here.
Yeah, there
Yeah,
are.
there are.
That's where
That
they're
last
all
one
at.
sold out.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, this one just got sold. That big one, right?
Hey, puppy. Hey,
Did you know? Hey, you guys have like a brothel museum in there too in Pahrump.
Dude,
I was like, what do they got there? They're like showing like
Chloe, not Cleo.
150-year-old crusty.
Calling her Cleo.
Oh, Chloe. That's
underwear.
right. Chloe. Chloe.
Right?
They're like, these are underwear of a whore from 150 years ago, where you could clearly see her gentleman collars had drained out into her underwear.
You didn't know there's a bunch of whorehouses there in Pahrump?
Yeah, Parump's the spot people go to from Vegas that want
Yeah.
legal.
Check this out, dude. I don't like paying for pussy.
Oh.
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah,
I like-
my dad
I like
always
it when
said,
it's-
"Why
I
buy
like
the
it when
cow
it's
when the
free,
milk
dude.
is free?"
What are you doing?
Hexout DJ, do you not know what a bow tie is?
Yeah, really.
It's the Chevy emblem. Mike can tell you. Mike hates them.
That's right. They make good boat anchors.
look, what kind of hick is this guy? This is Rhino's brother.
Oh man, you see that? He's calling you a hick.
It's okay because I know in person that guy wouldn't be calling him a hick.
Hey man, call me whatever the fuck you want, dude. But I'll see you on the sidelines, big dog. But check this out, man.
I think so. Benny, Eric's brother's on here. Remember him? He's not showing his face. We met him.
I remember him, but I remembered him.
Yeah,
I
well,
remember his name.
he's right here. Look, that
He
guy.
don't want to dox himself.
Yo,
there he is, right there. See?
There he is.
That link doesn't go anywhere, Morpheus.
He ain't
It
scared
doesn't go anywhere.
It says sorry, this page isn't available.
Oh, ain't that about a bitch? Man.
You sending some porno site there, Morpheus?
No, I got it off my cousin. Anyways, it was funny. Whatever. She must
Which
have her
cousin?
shit
You
all.
gotta have you probably have
Oh, wait a
300
minute,
cousins.
Hey, Shane, they're all brothers, and you know they're.
I was clicking the one you sent me in a DM. That one didn't work.
Remember, Shane, they all call each other bros.
We're all family.
They all call each other bros.
But I turned it down immediately because
Big dog. I just fucking picked this up
Apple
today.
offered me $5 million for a water powered car.
I got an offer from Apple for $5 million for the design, but I turned it down immediately because I know what this is worth, bro. I actually got an offer from Apple for $5 million for the design.
I'm not the only one working on shit.
Turned it down immediately because I know what this is worth, bro.
So it can be done, motherfuckers.
No, it can't. No fucking.
Oh boy, here we go with Mikey's naysayer shit.
You and your fucking.
Go get another booster, you dumb motherfucker.
You and your fucking conspiracy.
Get your booster. Get your booster.
Get your booster, eh?
Anybody who gets a booster likes to safe and cook.
He knows Mikey.
Gotta go get. Hey, Mr. Big got his booster just so he could go to a basketball game, and then fucking Ian J went and got. He was so against the shot, and he went and got it just so he could go to a football game.
Stupid ass.
No, dude.
I would
Bro,
say
I've been with you guys for a long time, dude. I've heard it all. And yes, there's no reason to get a fucking shot or a booster. And if you do, you might as well be saving in dick.
Hey, you got a better chance of fucking dodging a bullet going to them whorehouses without a condom.
Actually, you're probably
Right.
safer barebacking some straight up whores out there.
Oh,
at the
for
ranch.
sure, man. I've seen
They
it.
get tested. You know what I'm saying?
I've seen it. I lived it. I don't know
seen
how
it.
I didn't catch anything.
I've seen it.
God damn, man.
Go away. Go away.
Hey, look at me.
Go away. Go away.
I
Did she
drive
say
a
look at
Chevy.
me?
I drive me a Chevy, and I listen to country music too.
Okay.
There you go, Shane.
Go
Drive
away.
a Chevy and like country music. But you're
Go
a fucking
away.
dick.
Ford,
Bitch be gone, don't you understand?
Hey, Shane, we seen that picture of you in that fucking cowboy hat. You look like Dirks Bentley or something.
With that hat, I'm like, and my boots, I'm like 6'8", 6'9", and I get a lot of people staring at me like, holy shit. Because I just with that hat too, I just look so big. And but dude, I'll tell you what, people can talk shit about Hicks. You know who the toughest motherfuckers are, who also usually are the smallest motherfuckers? Fucking Hicks, dude.
Hey, man.
What
5'2" Hick.
Don't you boys talk shit about my redneck?
Who's talking shit about rednecks? Hey, listen here. All the blood from my mother's side, that's all Hoosiers and rednecks and such.
Hey,
Okay.
Morpheus, do they have black
Appreciate
rednecks?
What up, bud?
Mikey.
Is there a black redneck? Morpheus,
Mikey.
how do you tell if they're a redneck if they're
Mikey.
black?
Yo, there are black boys are cowboys too, man. No doubt about it.
Really?
Mikey, look at here, Mikey.
Man. Absolutely.
And they're probably the toughest cowboys too, because being black, they got picked on a lot more, you know, growing up in that
I'm pretty
lifestyle.
sure they call them Buffalo Soldiers, big dog.
Yep.
Buffalo Soldiers.
Yep, they've heard that cracking of that whip.
Oh, here we go with the
No,
racial
we're not
innuendo.
talking about the crack of the whip, goddammit, dude. We're talking about just being fucking patriotic and proud.
No, that's how they call us crackers.
Oh my
Yeah, I understand, man, but hey, man, we got to draw the line somewhere.
You know how the black people got that term calling us white people crackers, don't you?
Yeah, I know, because of the whip.
Oh.
But that's all bullshit.
Mikey, the shit that comes out of your mouth is cringeworthy a lot of the time. You do realize this, right? And I'm telling you this as your friend. Bro.
I'm just talking about critical race theory, right?
Fuck critical race theory. Critical race theory is bullshit, man.
Well, they're trying to force it down our kids.
In the fucking world, dude. Let's just keep it fucking.
They're trying to force that shit down kids now.
Let's keep it cheap.
Dude, they're even pushing critical race theory in the
I just
military.
wanted to butt in and say,
go away.
Hello,
Dude, you can't even go fucking have a book reading with your fucking daughter without having nutsack split between G-strings. And your fucking face.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
Yo.
they doing some twisted shit, trannies and young school kids and all kind of fucked up shit, man. They're making people not want to go fucking you know,
they're
let
making
their
everything
kids go
weird.
to public school, man.
Yeah, hey, Marvin is right, because if you go see
Actually,
the movie,
they were Mexicans
the-
were really the original cowboys. Mexicans.
Hey, if you go see the movie Nope, a black cowboy was the
dude,
first.
If you fucking talk like that again, Shane, dude, I'm gonna slap the fuck out of you.
Mexicans are really the ones who the first.
Dude, next time I see you, dude, if you say that one more time, dude, we're gonna
It's
fucking.
okay.
Hey, Shane, if you go see the movie Nope, they
Like,
show
I'm talking
a
old
black
old
cowboy was the
1800s.
The first guy ever on a horse was a black cowboy from the movies.
Yo, that 1800 was fucking trash, bro.
But Mexicans, because they were like all the ranchers and shit. You know what I mean? Like,
oh, for fuck's sake, no, they weren't, dude.
you're like, no, it can't be. Yep, you're basically a glorified beaner.
Yeah, let's get fucking real, dude. Let's really look at reality before you fucking start to come on to your own fact.
Shane, you can't argue with a drunk.
Close the bathroom door, so his dumb ass can't go in there.
Shane, you're not going to win arguing with a drunk.
Probably can win arguing with a drunk before we get in an argument with you when you're sober.
I don't like to argue.
Especially when we argue, because neither of us fucking like to back
I
down.
don't argue anymore.
Neither of us lift.
You don't, big dog. You're just arguing with me.
What'd you say?
Exactly.
Hey, you know they make Jack and Coke in cans now. You don't even have to mix it; it's already mixed.
I like to keep it neat, big dog.
It just came out. You can buy it.
Jenny's
can
dad is
Jack
a fucking Mexican redneck. Jenny's dad, but he's been in America most of his life. But
They Hicks in Mexico too. What kind of
What gave it away, Shane? The box of tequila?
What kind of languages they Hicks in Mexico?
Hey, look, man, you can't judge if he wants to be a you people for a comment. He can be one.
Hex Degen is a black guy.
Could be, could not be. Why'd you assume he's black by talking like that? He could just be white trash, retard with no education.
Oh, that's cool.
It could go either way. Because the only time black people talk like that is if they're not educated. It's not.
Or if they're wrong.
You mean educated?
Oh God! Here comes if he wanted to be impotent, he wanted to dress impotent. Come on with the corny ass black jokes, Mikey.
Ask me, I'll tell you. Ask me.
If you got hate in your heart, let it out. Come on,
power.
Ask me, I'll tell you.
Hate in your heart. That's fire.
If you got hate in your heart, let it out. What power?
Hey, did y'all ever see that y'all might not have seen it, but there was that fucking it was like a Marvel type fucking there was a Klansman superhero. I shit you the fuck not.
No.
Yeah, I shit
Get
you
the
the fuck
fuck
not.
out of here, dude. What was his name?
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck he was. He was something. He was the wizard or some shit. He was the dragon or the wizard or some shit. Anyways, but yeah, he played the daddy of one of the real superheroes or whatever. And
his name was Joe Biden.
No. I'm being for real.
No, that's so funny, dude. We got a white supremacist superhero that plays the daddy of somebody else.
Yeah,
his name was
Corn real
Pop.
superhero. He was like, I don't know if he was a super villain or not, but
His name was Corn Pop.
Nah, this motherfucker, he dressed up like a dragon and shit, and yeah, no, that was funny. A Klansman fucking superpowers and shit.
That's some next level shit, big dog.
Right, man. It fucked me up.
Hey, look at that. More migrant buses arrive in New York City days after Mayor Eric Adams scolds Texas governor. I love it.
Yep. He told me to come down there.
Yeah. They want, we're a sanctuary city. Okay, here you go. Sanctuary away.
Governor Abbott said he'll stop sending them when they build the wall.
That's right. There are sanctuaries.
You know what's fucked up? Dude, when Obama was in office and shit, the Democrats were actually very strong and about border security. It wasn't until Trump said something, he just carried over. He literally carried over Obama's fucking policies on the
Obama
border.
straight up said nobody comes in this fucking country.
Yeah. Dude, all
They
Trump did was
laid that wall down.
all
But
these
then when
people are
Trump
fucking-
lays it down,
yeah,
it's
dude,
a fucking racist fucking conundrum.
yeah, they're fucking idiots. They're like, oh, Trump did all this. All he did was continued what Obama was doing, because he actually was like, well, that's something that the Obama had right, was the way he was watching our borders at that point. You know, I'm not saying putting kids in cages, but that was Obama who started that shit. It was way before Trump.
You're damn right it was. You're damn
They
right.
kept it going because it was actually working. You know, Obama, that's one thing he was doing. Obama deported more illegals than all the presidents before him combined. Jennifer, my girl's fucking best friend, was one of them.
No, it was a meticulous thing. He was doing that for a fucking reason, dude.
Yeah.
He was doing that so that the
Trump
next
said it.
guy, our guy, when he came in, even if it wasn't fucking Hillary, dude, because if it was Hillary, they would have made that just work a little more better. But the fact that it was our guy, Trump, they had to fucking make that just the worst thing that happened to the world since the fucking dinosaurs that got extinct.
You had to come on here more often.
Well, now he probably will, that he broke that ice.
Okay.
I did break that ice, dude. And
Sometimes it's hard for people to come on it first, especially if they don't feel like, a lot of people think, I don't know as much about crypto. I'm like, who cares, man? You're a fucking personality.
Yeah, well, I think that Shane, I totally threw that at you. I was like, dude, I don't fucking know as much as my brother, but you guys
Oh,
are
I've had other
fucking,
people say that. I
you
don't
guys
want to
are
come
totally
over.
real motherfuckers, dude, and I like to fucking hear you guys every day. And yeah, dude, I'd like to be a part of it too.
So McCavish, you just sit around and drink all day long?
No, man, I take care of my mother all day long, brother.
Oh, okay.
And then when I get my time, I like to smoke my weeds.
Oh,
And
that's
then
cool.
if I get enough time, yeah, I'm gonna fucking slang some fucking alcohol too.
I've heard that started like the modern day cowboy shit.
No, if you watch that movie Nope, the first cowboy on a horse was Black Cowboy back in the 20s.
In the 20s, what are you
Right
talking
in
about?
that movie.
They were riding horses way before the
He's
20s.
clearly watching some fucking Benicio del Toro shit.
You guys ought to see that movie Nope. It's really good. You learn about Black
Solitude,
Cowboy.
you can come on whenever you want. The link is in our fucking chat.
You're talking to me?
No, Solitude.
Oh.
Has he ever been
No,
on
I'm
here?
looking as much as I can if I can.
Has Solitude ever been on here?
No, we could have up to 10 people on. But whoever the fuck. Hey, Sheep, is there a way to go on to Twitch and block those 4 things from that same guy?
Is he still talking shit?
No. But I'm just thinking tomorrow around the same time we might see
Yeah,
them.
if they keep causing problems, we'll get rid of them.
Hold up. You guys been telling me she's been on here the whole time and you didn't say what's up?
You didn't know that?
Yo, what the fuck, bro?
Well, look on your fucking screen, you drunk. Can't you see him?
Fuck you, dude. I'm fucking playing video games, dude.
Well, excuse fucking me.
All right, here we go. Here's Mikey's superhero. I'm putting it in the Telegram.
Hey, you guys realize what the stream count will be next Tuesday?
Yeah.
That'll be 666.
Yeah, it's a
next
666
Tuesday.
stream.
All right, he's called the White Dragon. He played Peacemaker's daddy. He was
Next
Peacemaker's
Tuesday.
daddy.
It'll be.
Hey, you know what we should do? We should do like the 13th floor of most high rises. We skip the 666 day and we just go right to 667. Same reason why they skipped the 13th floor. The 14th floor is really just the 13th floor, but guess what? They skip it.
666 will be on Taco
Sign of
Tuesday.
abundance.
No. You guys should start a horror coin.
What?
Horror coin. Start a horror coin. You guys fucking rock this shit all the time. Did you guys make up all this fucking badass shit all the time? Didn't you fucking rock it? Start a horror coin.
Is that
Horror like WHORE?
Horror. Like
Use
fucking
that
Nightmare Before Christmas
that
horror. God damn it.
Dude, hold on, you got a great idea. We come up with horror coin, WHORE, and we go around. Exactly. I haven't even got to the best part. Then we go around to all the brothels here in Nevada, and we get them to start taking horror coin. Before you know it, all the fucking crypto nerds are getting banged.
There you go.
Fucking right in the pussy.
No, not horror coin, dude. Horror.
Yeah, horror.
Oh,
Horror. You give her money, and then you get a little.
Fucking right in the pussy.
Yep.
Travis, we can't understand you. Does that start with an H or a W?
H.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck?
Oh, horror. Oh,
Not not sluts.
Wait, Marvin. I watched the movie Nope. Okay, why would they lie about that? Okay, they show it. They show the film. Go watch the movie Nope. and tell me different.
Copy that, man. I'll take a beat.
Some self-defense lessons this morning, and I think I can take them. Hey, babe, you want to see what I learned in defense class today?
No.
Why not? You a pussy?
What the hell were you recording for?
Don't worry about it. Come on.
Oh my fucking god.
You ready?
Whatever.
Ah!
You gonna get my money back?
You shouldn't have been talking.
Hey, Jenny might try that on you, Shane.
Good luck. Hey, so apparently Morpheus was showing your superhero.
Your white superhero, your white supremacist superhero.
Yeah.
Where did he show it?
It's in the Telegram, buddy. Go take a
The
peek.
white dragon. He hates Niggers. It says
He hates niggers.
Oh, give me a fucking break.
Yeah.
Give me a break.
Give you a break?
Yeah.
Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that. Hey, what is that? Who's doing that? You gotta be careful with the
No, it's me.
Yeah, I know. I see. They put that up all the time.
Which one? The one of the guy fucking, the one of you with the head, or the guy fucking sledding?
This right here.
What happened?
Hey, my wife.
That's the way I cut up my fucking beat after I'm fucking done
Through the
barbecuing.
fucking window.
Stuff like
From
that.
that was the stereo?
Yeah, it was a stereo.
My wife.
And
My
Carney is telling up.
My wife just walked in and saw that picture of all those little kids on the bus with my face on.
Yeah.
Who the fuck
retards.
did that?
Who do you think did it? You did it, Mike. That was you when you were growing up.
Guy's picking his fucking nose. That's fucking bullshit.
What? You don't like that picture of you?
No,
All the
it's not
Mikeys
me.
in the world, all on the short bus. You don't like that, Mikey? That was done just for you. I mean, I didn't do it. I just partook of it.
Yeah,
I
I know.
stole somebody's shit, but I thought of you when I saw it. Definitely.
Yeah, I bet you did.
Oh, that's all love, Mikey. Come on, man. Don't get all offended.
I'm not.
We're on a
Doesn't bother
nice
me at
little
all.
pump right now on Bitcoin, guys.
What's up?
Bitcoin's got a nice little pump going on right now.
So McTavish, where's your brother at?
Oh,
Some rodeo?
No, he just traveled back home. He's we're back
Where'd he
home to
go?
take care of his cat, and he'll come back here and chill out for a bit. And Billy Currington on fucking Friday, big dog.
Hey, that's 300 on a bad day there, Solitude. But you know, inflation, Joe Biden, who knows? Yeah,
Yo,
it depends on if the whore really wants to fuck you or not.
Are you kidding me? For a top end escort, you're 5 to 10 grand.
Yeah, okay. I'm sorry. I look good. I don't pay that much. Sorry.
You know, when I hear Joe Biden, dude, I just think of monkeys throwing feces out of the trees, like hard. It just don't make sense to me, you know.
Bo Jadden? You got a problem with Bo Jadden?
Huh?
I don't know. Do you like him?
Nah, I can't stand that son of a bitch. That dirty, rotten, diaper wearing son of a
Can't
bitch.
believe that they're doing that.
It could be in front of a window with some fucking blanket on his legs, dude. No joke. No joke.
Hey McTavish, you have any crypto?
Crypto?
Yeah.
I wouldn't be on this fucking show if I didn't have crypto, big dog.
I don't do that gay shit.
Hey, you don't have to be in crypto to be on this show.
Well, you kind of do, because I mean, I wouldn't have ever been on the show if I didn't have any kind of crypto. Guess
Why
my
is
brother
that?
sent me up and he fucking told me about you badass motherfuckers. And I
Do
just
you have
love to
any
listen
sheep?
to you all
Do
day
you have
long.
any sheep? Do you have any sheep token?
No, I don't have any sheep. And
Oh.
I've been asking about sheep, but like Shane, the last time we hung out, dude, your lady said she don't fucking when you try to explain it to her, you don't got no time. But when you I don't know. It's weird. My brother don't want to explain the fucking shit to me right. You know what I mean?
Wow.
He kind of like lays me in. He hooks me up, but it's like, dude, like, how do we work this out? But
Yeah,
I don't
he
know.
doesn't take the
Until we
time.
get full fucking B&Bs and then we can work on the rest.
It's not really that hard, McTavish, if you just try.
Yeah, right. There's a lot going on. Mike, you've been doing it a long time and you still don't understand a lot of shit.
Right.
There's Mike will send you his private keys if you ask.
But you can't.
No,
you
you
can't-
have to be Nigerian. No, he will not.
Mm.
You have to be Nigerian. Then he will send his private keys.
Hey, McTavish, you can't drink and smoke while you're doing crypto, though. It's not a good thing.
Mm.
You make mistakes.
Oh, that's a scary fucking Winnie the Pooh. Holy fuck. Oh, Piglet.
How bad you get wrecked today in the Everett? There,
Oh, dude. 100 grand up, you're gonna have a good one, but you can find good ones for less too. Depends on how big you want. Sheep's got a pretty nice size. It's big enough, but it's not too much where it's hard to drive or hard to find parking.
Yep.
McTavish lost the stream. I think he's too drunk.
Well, we are all here.
You beat any white women lately, Morpheus?
Just your mama.
Have you done any sister fucking?
You're not black enough.
Just your sister, Mikey.
I don't have a sister. So fuck you.
Oh,
where's Mike? Is that Min? Is that? No.
Mikey first met me. He was like, "Hell, I like you. You can come over and fuck my sister." I was like, "You don't say."
But then he goes, "Wait a minute, you're black? Oh, fuck you. The only person fucking my sister then is me." Man, Mikey hasn't called you the N-word in like a couple days at least.
I know. He must be bubbling. He must be chomping at the bit there.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised because like his wife is back to work, and you think that he'd be dropping N-bombs all day while she's at work.
Who's back to work?
Isn't your wife back to work?
Yeah, but she's standing right here.
He's off during the time of the show. We got to make the show.
He's got to get all his N-bombs out during the day.
You got to start making the show about noon. He can start dropping his N-bombs again, huh?
Oh man.
Or just hang out in the voice chat while she's at work, and he'll be dropping it a lot probably. He won't have to do looking over the shoulders, make sure she's not there.
What did it say? After Elon supported or what the fuck? 2 million.
Morpheus, are you backhanding white bitches?
No. I give them a very, very, very feminine only pimp slap, and that's when they come up show. But if they got all my money, shit, I'm happy with them. Shit.
Let's get Pissabit on the show.
Let's not say we did.
Even Rhino's brother got on here.
So I started a Safu treasury for the sheep token. So this is going to pay. Right now, it's going to give us $188 a day in buybacks.
What do you use? Your own money?
No, it was money that came out of the other half of the FURIO, because I've been taking from FURIO accounts. Yeah, so I dumped that in there.
So you're getting 50 B&B from AIRDROP tomorrow?
Yeah, these tomorrow. Yep.
How many were in that stake? 100.
No, like 76. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, so now we got a little bit we can play with on the side.
Should have listened to Ian J.
And then I got my account. What the hell?
Oh, when it came to avarice, yeah, I'm gonna have to say that, yeah. But
I don't know. I ROI on the BUSD already.
No, did you? Well, good
Yeah.
for you, man.
Mike, remember you have to add in.
I know. Here it comes, Shane. You got to add in shit.
The truth.
Here comes Shane with the truth.
Here comes Shane with reality.
I remember how Mikey never got wrecked on Wick Hunter.
No, I just fibbed a little bit on that one. Okay.
We all got wrecked. Did you get wrecked, Mikey? No, I'm good. I'm good.
Fibbed a little bit. You straight lied.
Okay, Mike.
Like
Nut to earn. Yeah, I seen that. I heard about it. There's a new nut to earn coin on Pink Cell.
Wow.
So you get paid to jack off. That was probably going to be a hit.
Right? Seriously.
Hey, it's going to be quite the shot.
Right.
Wow. Nut to earn. What do you got to sit here and like jerk? What? So are they trying to get like that gay porn where guys jerk off and shit on camera?
I'm not sure.
Sit there and be. Not sure, but pretty soon, BlackSheep's gonna be fucking rich as hell in that nut to earn. He's gonna have nut to earn fucking hat shit.
They're gonna rug pull mid stroke.
Rug pull mid stroke.
Right as you stick your pager up the backside and you're stroking the front side.
Right.
Ah, damn, Shane, you just letting us know all your nasty little secrets, huh, buddy?
No, hey, he's the one who said he's gonna start.
Right. Yeah. It was for sheep, not you. Right.
It's gonna say nut to earn right on the front of his fucking fridge. It's gonna
Hey, sheep, did you see USDT bonus already rugged? You can't even hook your wallet up to it anymore.
What is
What
that?
the fuck is that?
Remember that USDT bonus shit we talked about? You got the
Was that a
10
fucking
miners?
a scam you were trying to send me?
Probably, yeah.
Probably one of the ones that I
didn't even take a second glance at.
Another fucking war.
No.
Shit,
This
right?
was before that one. Where you got 10 free miners for just clicking on that thing.
Oh yeah, it sounds like
that
sounds
sounds like a
legit.
scam already.
It's fucking rugged.
Mike, are you seriously
Did
shocked?
you put any money in it?
No.
Of course he did.
I just got the free 10 miners.
Mike's lying. He put money in it. He put
No, I got the 10 miners free. Whether chat's still going, I don't understand why you can't hook up.
Wait, you got 10 miners for free, like physical miners?
But you couldn't take the money out until you put 50. You bought 50 more.
Okay, so it's a scam, exactly.
Yeah. You had to buy something to
you
get
didn't
the
really, you didn't really get anything.
No.
Exactly.
But now I won't even hook up to my MetaMask.
Let's call a spade or a
pretty much they
brother, you know what I mean?
Man, there's a new shit.
Drip is almost at $10, y'all. Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah, I know.
We were talking about it earlier.
I know. I'm sorry I wasn't here. You know, shit happens.
I'm gonna take
Nothing
her
you can
outside.
do about that. Nothing you can do. That is fucking awesome, man. I am excited, very excited about this one. You know,
I'll be excited when I see 20.
now, I'll be excited when you get to 50, but I'm excited now. That is
Where
not
did
the
you buy in at though? Didn't you buy in super high?
No, fuck no.
My average, I bought in most of mine around like $12 to $13 range is where I bought in for most of mine.
I didn't. Nah. I think I got in. I don't know.
That's
I
why.
know.
I mean,
I know.
don't
I
get me
started
wrong.
off with. I know I started off with like 22 or 26 drip.
I've definitely made way more than I put into it. You know, and because but the reason why I did is because I fucking compounded, you know, so much. It hasn't been to the last like 4 months that I really started, you know, really claiming a decent amount here and there. I would go months without claiming once, you know, just every day rolling. So that's how I got to where, you know, even though it's below, you know, half, damn near, you know, lately it's been like half of what I paid, but I've fucking compounded my ass so deep in there that, you know, it still didn't, you know, it sucks, but didn't hurt.
Well, when it went up to like $150, that's when you should have been claiming like a motherfucker.
I claimed one day when it was really good.
Oh, you're an idiot, dude.
Not even at the top, bro. It was like starting to come back down when we were in Vegas last time, and I claimed like $3,000 in a day or something like that. About $3,300.
I would have claimed every fucking day that price was high as fuck like that, man. In fact, I think I did claim almost damn every fucking day when the price was high as fuck. I didn't care, man. I'm like, man, hell yeah, fuck yeah. People were rolling like a motherfucker. Oh, it's gonna be $300 drip. It's gonna be $1,000. Oh, and then the motherfuckers like you who had big ass chunks, y'all could have pulled out.
$195, and then it went.
Yeah.
Well, that dude, I even had friends like, because a lot of like no coiners from like the motorcycle club world, I got into it, and in our little chat we had going on, because a lot of them found the DGen protocol chat, so then through that they found like baby drip and all these other things, right? And I would tell them, do not fucking get into drip at these prices. It was like $90 on its way up. And I was like, don't do it. If you do it, you're doing it on your own. I didn't tell you to do it. As a matter of fact, I told you the opposite, that it's not a good idea to get into anything when it's 90 fucking bucks.
I don't want to hear shit when you get wrecked.
Yeah. And then they didn't listen. A couple of them didn't listen, and they were like, oh, I got into it as it was pumping up, kept pumping. They're like, yeah, you know, Shane said that fucking, you know, that it was going to go down, or that we shouldn't have bought it at that price. Look at how up it is. I was like, well, I hope for your sake it keeps fucking going. And anything, I never told anybody to get in where I was like, no, you really should. Anything over like $30.
Yeah, it's funny. Drip is outperforming FURIO right now. That's funny.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is. Well, that's because it's fucking has a lot more liquidity, and it's been around a lot longer. But FURIO has some really great tokenomics, though.
Yeah. I like their dump tax and all that shit. Yeah. It's fucking awesome. Oh, I'm just gonna dump. Well, you giving up half, bitch. What? No. Yeah.
Yep. Bugs, what was it at when you got in? Wasn't it over $100?
Oh fuck! He bought drip when it was over $100.
I think so. If I remember correctly. I remember correctly. He's one of the ones that I've heard of that got the like.
Hey, it can still climb because you know fucking animal farm.
That's what I say. FURIO's just starting. We got to see, because so far I think that the changes that everyone were pissed off about was way better though, and it really helped longevity and tokenomics. And people can cry all they want because you're never going to make everyone happy.
Never, ever going to do that.
Ever. Even with the sheep token shit, when we've changed some shit, we changed shit we didn't even really want to change. Well, I did, because I wanted from the get-go, I was saying something, and then Rhino wouldn't listen to me and wouldn't listen to me. And then someone else came in and they were like, you know, okay, we're changing it. And most of the board members didn't want to change it, but they knew it was better for the overall picture. Starting out $1,000 for the lowest NFT would as bad as fucking marketing, bad sales. You know, it would have been, because if you remember, that's what it was supposed to start out at. The lowest one at $1,000 a piece.
Anybody put any money in Don's B&B 3D yet?
$50. Oh, so Bugs got in at $50. So yeah, I mean, if it gets to 20 Bugs, you still have an opportunity, especially depending on how many you have. If you at least have enough to where you could, you can compound quickly. If it could even get to $20, you could definitely compound your way to a great profit. At least I think he can. I've seen how much compound. If it wasn't for compounding, I wouldn't be in the position I'm in with anything, whether it's masternodes, DeFi shit, because typically I only usually touch stuff that makes me a passive income.
Right.
I don't usually I trust Evan and his trades and his calls, but I never use them. You know what I mean? I never go and buy what coin he says, because I've learned my way works best for me.
Right.
So my way might not work best for everybody, but it works best for me, and so that's why I've learned. I try to stick only with anything with passive income. Sheep's probably about almost everything Sheep touches, it does passive income, but he fucking apes in sometimes to that other shit. And Mr. Big, you buy other coins too that don't create passive income, right? Like Sheep, what would you say? Probably 95% of what you invest in does create you a passive income, right? And then you sometimes will just take a trade here and there, like that Evan calls out, right?
Once in a while. Yeah, I got some AVAX.
Yeah.
That I staked for a year.
Oh, here we go with the adult dating site fucking.
Because you like I think a lot of us.
Yeah, I'm up $9,000 on that trade already.
Nice. See, and that's the only thing I don't really do. Like, I don't really take trades like that. I'm like not everything I buy makes me a passive income, but I think most of us are more passive income overall than guys that just hodl in trades.
The best RV.
What brand do you have again?
I have an Ace.
Yeah, Thor, right?
Yeah, Thor Ace 30.1.
Yeah, which Thor is good. They also make the Vegas, I believe, don't they?
Yeah, but these are really good for the price. They're really good.
Yeah, that's a good brand. It just depends on what you want too, Solitude. You want something that you could drive like him, like a tour bus, or do you want something that you could tow behind? Do you want a sleepover cab? Because one cool thing about Sheep's is Sheep has the sleepover cab still, even though he's got a Class A. I love that. I love Class A's that got that.
But it's a Ford.
Yeah, but it's different.
Mr. Big would love that. Would love that though.
Yeah, but you know what? That's different. When you're talking about those kind of motors, I don't.
Yeah, it's actually a really good engine though. These things, they go 100,000 miles without breaking a sweat.
Yeah, with those, like whether you got a Ford, a Dodge, a Chevy, fucking whatever you got. I really don't know enough about those kind of motors to have a bias.
Yeah. No, they're good.
But cars, I know enough about to have biased. But the ultimate, I know that most people want, like the ultimate thing they say is you want a fucking diesel pusher. I don't know Cummins, is that what they usually use?
Caterpillars
and
in the motorhome there are more cats and
is there?
It fits in the motorhome better.
Because I've never looked, as much as I know about RVs, I never looked into diesel pushers at all. So my knowledge about them, other than what's standard about RVs, I know nothing about.
Hey Shane, I'm gonna be I'm a DMU and Eric. That book that I came across about land patents.
Okay.
I advise you go through it. Don't even think at all about doing any of the shit in the book until your status is changed. But
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Well,
send it to you guys right now.
hopefully tomorrow I could fucking close on the property. I do need to go down and sign some shit, I guess, in person too. Boom.
Ow. Bark.
Forward.
Compose. Good afternoon. I am assistant. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. There's the fucking info right there. Wire transfer. Gonna go do me a wire transfer tomorrow.
Yeah, they're not too bad. You sit at the bank, you wait until it's done.
For the land.
Yeah.
Now wire transfers aren't too bad, man. You'll be in and out of there in like an hour. More than likely.
You can do it online.
30.1.
Not for this kind of money. You got to go into the bank.
It's a 2016 30.1.
I don't know. With Chase, I can do up to $100,000.
Really? They told me I can only do 5,000 from the app. I got to go in for more, and this is 60 grand. So
yeah.
All right. So, all right. Now that I got that off to you and Eric, the rest is up to you guys.
Why didn't you send it to me?
Do you want it to, Mikey?
Well, you sent me all the other bullshit.
Yeah, but you have a condo, dog. You don't have a house or anything that
What's
you
the
can claim
difference?
land. Well, the condo is you're part of an association, so trying to claim a land patent on a condo
it's
it's like trying to fuck a fat bitch with somebody else's dick. It's not, the juice ain't worth the squeeze, bro. So,
Well, you've tried to do that.
try to fuck a fat bitch with somebody else's dick.
Yeah.
No, it's just something I would never attempt, and that's the point I was trying to make. You shouldn't even try that shit. But if you actually go buy a house, I will definitely hook you up, man.
Well, we plan as soon as the crash hits, we're gonna go buy a house. The crash is coming, guys. I'll tell you what, it's coming.
Well, when you get a house that you can claim land on, I got your back, man.
Yeah,
you don't even
the
have to
crash
ask.
is coming next year. This market is not going to keep going up on the. I hope you didn't buy that property too soon, there, Shane.
even if it did, dude, this guy had it on the market for like $190,000 for a long time, and he dropped it to 125, and I swooped it up.
Well,
he was
good.
trying to sell it to the neighbor. He was like, "I'll give you a deal, 140." When the neighbor found out how much I am paying, he was all, "Oh yeah, you got a good deal." Yeah, he's like, even at 140 was a fair deal.
Yeah, and the piece of advice, I mean, you're probably going to anyway, Mikey, if you're gonna buy a house with some land on it. Try to stay away from HOAs.
We will. Never again am I going to go for a fucking HOA.
Yeah, try to stay away from those. I mean, don't get me wrong. You can revoke your signature on the fucking agreement and all that, but you're going to be battling them cocksuckers your entire way. And the government is enough to fuck with. You don't want to be fucking fucking with another private party too, and it's just all bad. So, but yeah, I got your back. Get a house, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, those $1 million houses are going to come down to about 6,000 or 7,000, 100,000, and I'm going to buy one. There's no way they can keep at $1 million around here when the fucking market crashes. And it's coming, folks. Mark my word. When those interest rates get up to 12%, people are going to be bailing out.
You want one too, Solitude? Yeah, you got to hit me up on Telegram. Send me a DM, and I'll shoot it to you. Forex says technically, fuck you.
You know, you guys, you think all these things I bring to your fucking scams? Well, this Money Toad paying 12% a day. It's a BNB miner, doing pretty good.
Nice. Just got me some more Safu.
You know, we all can make bad picks every once in a while, Mikey.
Yeah, but this Money Toad is kicking butt.
Pulling a wiffle dick with Safu.
Oh, you know, I remember what was that one you came up with, Mikey? That rug before it launches. What was it called? War.
I didn't come up with that. That fucking Mexican from LA gave it to me. Okay, so fuck you guys. Right?
Oh, you got racial quick. It was
LA.
that fucking Mexican.
Damn.
No good fucking Mexican.
He was probably from Boyle Heights too.
No, he's from Mexico.
Oh.
He got
Well,
racist
Johnny,
quick.
been a while, man.
It's like I ain't taking the heat for that. That was that fucking Mexican.
No, I ain't taking that. I did not.
Hey, you brought it to us on the live stream.
I know, but I figured that Felipe is not going to give us a fucking rug pull.
Anybody could give one.
Yeah.
Dude, he's a Julio, Mike. He's not even supposed to be here. You should be like wanting to like send him back, dude. You should be pissed.
Well, why don't you send your girlfriend back?
Oh,
because she's from the same part of California you're from.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit! Here we go.
Oh, Mike's about to get in trouble. His wife's probably
No, she's yelling at me because I left a light on in the closet.
And can we get that clip from The Amazing Racist where he goes and picks up those day workers in front of Home Depot?
I always wanted
to,
dude. When I heard that somebody
Johnny J,
did that,
what's up, man?
I
How
was
you
so
doing?
mad. I made jokes about doing that for probably 15 years ago, bringing them, take a whole fucking like U-Haul where they can't see what's going on, and back. I wanted to back him up right there. Do you know where INS is? Right over off of like Russell and Sunset. I wanted to always back up there because somebody I worked with, one of the Mexicans, told
Why
me.
did he take his collar off?
Told me that they will pay you like
I don't know. I
$200
didn't
per
understand.
illegal, but you can't do
Loading
that.
up, baby.
That's kidnapping. You know, that's kidnapping. You can't do that. But I was like, oh, perfect.
Bless you.
I'll just
Bless
get
you.
them to jump in.
There he is.
Pull up and drop them off and be like, you guys owe me.
I didn't know he was complaining about it.
See, you were talking shit, and Felipe was here to hear it. He was like, "These fucker, how you gonna talk shit about me like that, Mikey?"
Fucking wheat bags.
Wheat back?
Yep.
They're talking about wheat backs.
Yep.
Wheat bags.
Mike, don't try and play it off so your wife doesn't realize how racist you are.
No, she was asking what I was laughing at. I said, because you guys were talking about wheat backs.
She just thinks you're having a Joe Biden moment. She's like, okay, honey, that's good.
You know what a wheat back is, don't you? Okay. Oh, she doesn't want to know what a wheat back is.
It's a racist thing.
It's a It's talking about
No,
brown
we're
people.
not.
Okay?
It's just for Mike. We have to have racist hour.
Yeah, they gotta have racist hour for me. They're saying.
It's like what? It's all the black people's favorite segment, actually, of the
She
show.
says she doesn't want me in that hour.
Well, it's all the black and Mexicans' favorite.
If you
hour.
have hate in your heart, Mackie, let it out.
Yeah. Well,
I
what
don't
we
have
actually
hate.
call
I don't hate
is
anybody. Okay.
what we
I don't know where
actually
you
call
guys
it is
come up with
ask a
this
racist
bullshit.
old white man is the segment.
I don't know where you guys come up with this bullshit. I don't hate anybody.
Hey, the segment ask a racist old white man, where black people and Mexicans have the opportunity to ask a racist old white man all those questions they've always wanted answered.
Yeah. I have no hate for anybody.
Hey, what if some black kid was to steal your pace car?
Yeah, they couldn't figure out how to drive it. It had 3 pedals.
Mike, black people know how to do it. That's actually, if anything, black people probably, at least the older ones, probably are better at stick shift because stick shift was usually a poor person's thing.
Yeah.
So guess what? The brothers were probably used to growing up in the hood. Motherfucking stick shift.
Stick shift.
It was the white people that just were like, oh, look at here. Click. Drive away.
It's okay, Mikey. You grew up in a different time, man. You know?
Yeah.
You couldn't help it. It's indoctrination. You were indoctrinated by the
Remember,
liberals.
there was 2 parts of the bus where to sit.
Man, look at those Jews, man. Them Jews are always dancing and getting down. Look at that guy, this big old furry hat and his fancy robe. He's like Richard Hart of the Jews, this guy.
Oh, yeah, this guy?
Yeah. Well, keep watching. Is that no, the one right above that?
Oh. Oh, yeah, I
the
seen
big
this
one. This is, look, Richard Hart of the Jews is here. Watch. Bro, I'd be worried that whole build. Look, there he is. Look. Look at him. You better be careful. That might be fucking
copyright.
I just trim it out.
Oh.
It doesn't hurt the channel.
Okay.
I used to think it did, but it doesn't.
Look at him. Look at him. He's like Richard Hart of the Jews. This fancy fucking little.
Now, if it's like straight copyrighted material out of a movie or something like that, that's when they can hit you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I remember we used to play all kinds of shit. Like when we played that clip from Boondock Saints.
Look.
Yeah.
Interview with a cracker hour with PCM.
I mean, I had a bunch of those that didn't really matter, but when you get monetized, you gotta if you want to keep the monetization, the money for that day going to you, you have to edit or trim out the songs.
Hey, look, Mad Dog's usually pretty fair. He even says PCM's his favorite racist. And he would know racist. Mad Dog's from the South.
He lives in the South. He knows racism when he sees it.
Yeah, like, man, that guy's been eating, drinking, breathing, sleeping, shitting, farting, fucking racism his whole life.
Wow. You calling Mad Dog a racist?
He can't even help it. He's just a good Southern.
He can't even help it. You said that on country and shit. He can't even help it. Really?
Good old Southern Christian boy, you know?
Yeah, but he's a sister.
Someone tip this guy a racist token.
Isn't he a sister fucker?
See, and I was literally about to say, and this one ain't even a sister fucker. He's a boyfriend's wife's fucker. Something like that.
Like that?
Something. It's confusing. But damn. I don't even care if that was staged. That's just funny.
Yeah. I don't think that was staged, dude. He broke that sign with his head.
He said Shane is my favorite gay.
Mad Dog, I'm not sharing any holes with you in Vegas, dude. It ain't happening. You're not going to fucking convince me I'm gay. I'm not going to fucking be running around with fucking pineapples and shit. You know?
I think Shane's curious about the life, Mad Dog.
No.
He just wants to come hang out for a week.
No, I never will.
It's gonna bring Jenny, so it's all good.
I never
right?
want my dick to touch another man's dick, and I would never trade my 8 for the potential of a 3. Not saying Mad Dog. I'm just saying in general. In general, when you do that,
Are you calling Mad Dog's girls?
No, I said
threes?
not Mad Dog. I'm talking about not Mad Dog. You in that lifestyle. I've met more people in that lifestyle. Mad Dog's actually one of the more attractive people I've met in the lifestyle. Him and his girl.
Yeah, you saying that? That's not gay at all.
Go Mad Dog. Most people I've met that were swingers are either old as shit or fucking fat, ugly, and disgusting. No way I'm letting someone bang my solid 8 for their 3. It ain't happening.
So would you do 8 for 9?
Nope. Even if he had a 10, he's like, bro, I'll let you fuck my 10 for your 8. I'll be like, nah, I fucked enough 10s in my life, man. I'll just stick with my 8.
Are you sure? I don't know.
Your 8.
I'll stick
This is from the guy who got dick slapped in the Devil's 3-way though. Y'all gotta take this with a grain of salt, y'all. Don't be taking it like
hey, I didn't willingly slap my dick against another man's dick in no.
No. You just laid there and took that dick to the face.
No, that's not what happened either. It was more like this, trying to look away and avoid him, act like he wasn't there. And he's like, what? Oh shit! I can turn the head and.
How long was that red mushroom on the side of your face there?
No, he had a tiny little pecker. That thing barely even fucking made contact.
Oh, okay.
The point is that it did. It grazed, and I can't deny it. Yeah.
10-4 couples. One is hot, the other's not. That kind of kills the mystery of that so-called lifestyle there, Mad Dog.
Right.
I think you're oversharing, man. You're supposed to keep the pineapple a mystery, buddy.
Bro, I've met very few good-looking swingers, like the couples that taught me about cucking and bulls and would tell me about that shit. They were never good-looking, ever.
I've seen a couple, attractive swinger couples in the past.
Yeah, I knew one. They were into the hot wifing thing, which I've told you guys about that. I knew her for like.
What's a hot wifing thing?
I'm not gonna get into explaining. This guy who likes to have other chicks bang his hot ass wife.
That's what Mad Dog does, doesn't he?
That's probably those people. I don't know if they technically consider themselves swingers, that couple, but that's probably the overall, like, I can remember the best looking swingers couple that I ever met, because they were like still real young, and like both of them were very attractive, in really good shape. And then I even would think, man, you let guys fuck your good looking wife, and you're probably banging their fatties.
Ugh.
That
doesn't sound like a good deal there.
If a dude told me, I'll give you $1 million and let you bang my 10 if I can bang your little Mexican aid, I'd say, you know what, motherfucker? How about I break your fucking jaw?
No, you wouldn't. You would be, hold on, let me talk to her and see what's going on.
No, I wouldn't. The fuck I would. The fuck I would.
Oh, okay.
I'd be like, $1 million, bro.
Make it believable, Shane. Make it believable.
I probably would beat the dude's ass for disrespecting me, honestly.
Oh, man. Don't be like that. You wouldn't beat Mad Dog's ass.
Mad Dog wouldn't really be like, hey, Shane, look at her.
Oh, I'm sure Mad Dog can give you an offer. You keep fishing like that, buddy. You'll get the offer.
Mad Dog's like, how about I give you $250,000?
$250,000. You keep fishing, Shane. You'll get the offer you're looking for, buddy.
No, bro, why would I take $1 million? I already have $1 million. I don't need once you have $1 million, it's easier to make another.
$1 million.
So you wouldn't swing dicks with Mad Dog, huh?
For $1 million, no.
Wow.
Just like I never fucked ugly. You're right.
I thought everybody has a price.
I've never fucked. Not everybody. Neither does Trump. They tried. That's why they hated him. Well, I mean, in some ways, I'm sure he has a price. No, with shit like that, no, I don't have a price. And I never fucked an ugly girl.
A few seconds.
Jenny has seen literally what I say is the ugliest girl I ever fucked, and she always says the girl's not even that ugly. That I make her sound.
So you wouldn't take Jenny to a swinger party?
No, why would I fucking take her to a swinger party? Why would I go? I wouldn't go if I was single by myself to a swingers party, even if I was told, hey, single guys welcome. I wouldn't go. It's just not my thing, Mike.
Oh, I thought you'd like to show off that Johnson since you put it in a magazine.
No, I didn't put it in a magazine. I put it in a book.
Oh.
And no, it doesn't matter. It's a little bit different. Like, hey, buddy, check my dick out right here, while he's looking me in my eyes, like, and he's looking at me and looking at my dick and looking at me. No, that's different than if I'm all in a fucking book all with my dick. It's not like I'm looking back at the guy like.
Was it a soft cover?
It was. It was. Matter of fact, you want me to grab it? Got a
What
couple
is that
copies.
soft cover?
No one would want to fuck Shane.
Yeah, right.
Wow, look
Yeah,
at that
right.
face.
The
You
moment
call
I
me
fucking
ugly, Shane.
The moment I fucking walked out with fucking, well, I guarantee I've had way hotter chicks than Mad Dog. I mean, that's just a given. Oh, shot! Da, 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 da.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. If I showed up to one of them swinger parties with my big old fucking dong swinging and hanging out, these bitches wouldn't even care that I look like a fucking clown up top, that I'm balding up here, and that I'm getting fatter in the middle. All they'd be like is, holy shit, there's a guy with a real dick here at the party. They'd be lining up. I'm next. I'd be like, fuck. Can some of you little dick guys fuck your girls too?
And you.
That's some championship.
Yeah. Oh, this.
That's probably McTavish and his people in Pahrump there.
Hey, we need to see that little dog shooting that rabbit. That was a funny one. I wouldn't seen that in a while.
Which one? Oh.
You know, the dog going around the house shooting
I
that
think I
bunny.
took it off.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That was pretty funny.
It was taking up space. And
yeah, it was a long video.
Yeah. And that one always got me some kind of strike.
Oh, that's right.
Mad Dog. People that are swingers don't got game. That's why they're swingers. It's just easy then. And I never money. And I never had game. I didn't.
That sounds like.
That's
that sounds like shots.
I didn't need game. That's the best part. I never once in my life have ever fucking pursued a woman.
Shane, that sounds like shots fired.
Uh-oh. Let's see. Where is it? Are we on the right one? Damn it, we're not on the right one.
I think Mad Dog just called you.
Retard alert.
Well, that's what happens when the market is dumping.
No shit, Mike. No shit, Mike. Why you fucking tell me some more of your genius fucking wisdom.
The fucking cab driver rocket science.
It's echoing real bad.
Yeah.
Oh, because I'm on the screen share.
Yeah, it was echoing like a motherfucker.
What is that?
Well, that's what happens.
That's my wife calling me.
No shit, Mike. Why don't you fucking tell me some more of your genius fucking wisdom?
Doesn't take a fucking cab driver rocket science to figure that one out, you dumb.
Well, it doesn't take a fucking senile, half senile 70-year-old fucking broke dick motherfucking Jew to tell me either.
Oh, that's back when we had fucking Chicago around.
Yeah, I miss Chicago.
This guy's
You guys say
starting
what you
again.
want. Even though he was an angry man,
Yeah.
I miss Chicago, man. even though he was very angry.
I miss him, but yeah,
Definitely needs anger management.
he got real. I mean, I'm an angry person that needs anger management. Even I was like, whoa, whoa.
He said, "Whoa."
Like, buddy, look, I'm not the one who should be giving you advice on this, but let's talk. I'm not the one to give advice on anger management.
What I meant was jackpot, bitch. That's what I meant to say.
But wait, why are you wearing that hat?
Ah, jackpot, bitch.
Look how drunk he was, too.
Yeah.
I wasn't drunk.
Weren't you guys all wasted?
Yeah, you were.
Yeah, you were.
Fuck, I need 134.
Why are you wearing your hat?
It's jackpot, bitch.
Yeah,
Yeah, you see, Austin was on that one.
Yeah, you saw that.
That was Jenny.
Yep. It took us like a week to figure it out because eventually we kept playing it over and over. And then I realized when it says it, I like muted and looked over. And I'm like, wait a minute. That was Jenny talking to me.
That's
Because
right.
we all thought he said that to his wife. Remember? We were like, oh, shit. Mike called his wife a bitch.
No.
Right.
I don't pull a Morpheus on my wife.
Yeah, because your wife's the one with the money. She'll fucking kick you to the curb.
Yeah. Yeah, Morpheus has nothing to
Are you
lose.
fucking eating like mayonnaise by the spoonful? Is that what I'm seeing here?
No. It's overnight oats.
Morpheus has nothing to
I don't
lose when
know.
he calls her that.
Tell me that, guys. Tell me it doesn't look like he's fucking shoveling mayonnaise. I mean, I ain't judging you. Us white people, we love mayonnaise. It's quite fucking delicious.
He said shoveling mayonnaise. Was that ice cream?
Hey, look, I'm not the only one who
Yogurt?
thought, look, the sheep eating straight
It's overnight oats.
Oats?
Overnight oats.
It's probably some fucking hippie shit or something.
Okay. All right. Good time.
What do you leave your oats overnight and then they turn into mayonnaise and you eat them?
He's a horse now.
Yeah.
He
At
eats
least
oats.
he's not trying to cook a chicken and a watermelon.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
dude, that-
Here we
I-
go.
that-
More racist shit.
I mean, first of all, Morpheus, you better do that because I bet it's fucking amazing. And I might do it too. I love fucking watermelon. And if you don't love watermelon, it's because you're racist.
That's right.
Nah.
I knew a black guy that didn't like watermelon. And so I always try to make him watermelon cocktails. I was a bartender. He was a server. Always. He's like, motherfucker, you ain't getting me with none of your fucking watermelon bullshit. I was like, I'll get you.
So you were a racist bartender.
Oh yeah, bro. I think I told you before. So we were doing
Like,
we
yeah,
were
that's how I
doing
know.
we were doing the we had the it might have been Pacquiao and Mayweather fight, but we had a Mayweather fight. So Mayweather tracks a lot of like thug kind of ghetto trash, if you will, from like Southern California, right? So I was like, oh, I got the fucking bar, I got the drink special for this weekend. So it was fucking it was Hennessy and the watermelon puckers. That's it. And one of the black guys was all, I like that. That's good. You're racist as fuck, but that's good as shit. And the other black
Hey,
guy-
Morpheus, why
the
do
other
black
black guy
people like
wouldn't touch
Hennessy so much?
Why do black people what?
Why do they like Hennessy?
I don't know. Probably the same reason that white guys like having black dudes fuck their wives. I don't know.
Oh, do you like Hennessy?
He's
Well,
all-
that's kind of expensive for you. I don't think you could
He's
afford
all-
it.
no,
Okay.
No, they
Yeah.
just
You're saying it's above my station, Mike.
no,
Yes,
Mr.
I-
Big. See, there's a
Oh.
trick. The real niggas, hood niggas.
Yeah.
They know the trick. You get some E&J brandy, and that's brandy and cognac are the same thing. The only difference is one's from Cognac, France, and the rest isn't. So that's the only difference. Cognac is just brandy from Cognac, France. So it has to be from Cognac, France to be called cognac. Otherwise, it's brandy. So boom, there's a little history and some alcohol. So Morby's probably like, oh fuck yeah, I love me some E&J's.
Yeah, well, here's the thing. I drink rarely. I rarely
Well, when
drink.
you do,
I rarely smoke weed. I rarely eat edibles. I rarely do a lot of shit. Why? Because I value my.
No, it's because you're a broke ass. That's why you
hey,
can't.
if you drink beer, what kind of beer do you drink, Morpheus?
Hey, Shane, he can't
Dos
do that
Equis?
because he's fucking
Okay.
broke.
Dos Equis?
His welfare check doesn't go that far.
The regular Dos
Motherfucker.
Equis?
Oh, we doing welfare shit again? All right, I got you. Don't trip.
No,
All right.
if he would have said
Hold on,
Heineken,
Mikey. That's
if
all you
Morbius
had
would
to
have said
say.
he drinks Heineken, I would have been like, either that or one of the stereotypical
Yeah, when you go to
Old
the
English.
market, you can't use that EBT card for that alcohol.
Oh,
Remember
Mikey, you're closer to welfare than I am, buddy.
that. Oh no.
Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you
I
are.
give
You
I
depend
give
on the
away my
government.
stimulus check to the guys at the car wash. Morpheus.
Oh,
okay?
yes, you are. You're closer to welfare than I am, buddy.
No.
If the government stopped putting out checks from the Treasury tomorrow, your ass would be in dire straits. You'd be selling that old nasty dick out there on Tropicana, dog. You'd be like, oh, how much to see? How much to see? I'm taking that fucking diaper off, man. Shut the fuck up.
I don't think so.
Oh, goody.
We don't have to rely on that government money.
Right. You don't have to rely on government bullshit.
Yeah.
Everything you get is from the government, motherfucker.
We've been saving up all our life, Morpheus. We weren't
you've
some
been
dumbass
saving up
like
all
you.
your life.
Yeah. We thought about the rainy days, Morpheus.
Can we get some Negro spirituals, please?
Morpheus, we've been saving up for the rainy days, not like
You've been saving up for the rainy days.
Yeah, that's right. So we
Really?
do have a rainy day fund in case we need to.
And worst case, man, Mikey, you could always start showing yourself on the internet, buddy.
We're not going to go there, Morpheus.
I was talking about you, buddy. What, you don't want to do it?
We'll just drop that, okay?
Okay. All right, buddy.
I got the N word right on the tip of my lip.
On the tip.
Okay,
So you chopping at the bit. Chopping at the bit, buddy.
You're about to get it full blast, so just shut the fuck up, Morpheus.
Why, Mikey?
Just shut the fuck up, Morpheus. Okay. If you know what's good for you, you'll shut the fuck up.
That Alex guy fucking shared that fucking nut to earn or whatever fucking shit in our chat, man. Did you guys see that? I deleted it.
What did you say?
That whole nut to earn or whatever thing that Alex guy fucking posted it in there, dude. People don't fucking listen. No motherfucking links that
I think he was posting it mainly as satire. I don't think anybody was really trying to get into that. Though.
Yeah, but that shit, that's what that goes to. We don't. All it takes is someone going to it and on, from our shit, and now they're
blaming us.
Yep. I found that in DGen Protocol. You know what I mean? Oh, look, there's Mikey when he needs a diaper change.
Yeah, this is how he is
What?
now. He's angry.
Fuck you talking about?
PCM, there's you when you need your diaper change. Go look at the GIF Morpheus just shared.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh, by the way, to answer this old man is senile. Can you even get it hard? No, it's been over 20 years since he's been able to get it hard.
Yes.
But that's because of his fucking diabetes, right, Mike? Isn't that actually
That's right.
So
diabetes.
we make fun of him, but remember, guys, any of us are prone to that shit. Something as simple as diabetes make your dick soft.
One day it just hits you like a red.
Can you remember the last time? I'm not trolling you. Can you honestly remember the last time you had an erection? Is it something that's stuck in your head or?
Yeah, that was that black girl I picked up at the what's her name? At the
You said you
Wild
didn't
Wild
get
West.
a hard on for her.
I know. She tried for like a half hour.
But I mean, so that's the first time you can remember where you couldn't get it then?
Yeah, because I was in Vegas for like a whole year and I didn't. Nothing was going on. I was just gambling.
So it might even be your gambling that softened your dick. It might not even be your diet.
No. Okay, here's the story. Okay, back in 1999,
diabetes.
I started having blood come out of my nose. So I went to the doctor, and they said, "You got high blood pressure, and you're a pre-diabetic." And I go, "What the fuck's a pre-diabetic?" He goes, "Well, you're on the borderline." Okay.
Your A1C is in the toilet, buddy.
So I just said, "Fuck you." I took the high blood pressure medicine for a few months, and I stopped taking it. So then around 2000 is when I was in the Wild Wild West, and that lady kind of would say, "Hey, you want to party?" And
Mike thought I ain't never had no black pussy. He probably called her he probably said the N-word to her.
Right?
I ain't
It's
never.
okay. Is it cool if I call you a nigger while I pay you? Can I call you a nigger, bitch?
Right?
Hey,
I ain't never been with no freaking nigger girl.
let me tell you what, I did pay her because I felt I was obligated. It wasn't her fault, okay? I did pay her. The only time I've ever paid somebody for sex.
Wait, Mike. Maybe you weren't impotent. Maybe it's just because you're so racist. Your dick was so mad at you.
Your dick was just being
Yeah,
racist.
yeah, she was kind of ugly when I got her under a light.
Damn.
Oh my god.
I don't know what I was thinking.
We know what you were thinking. You were thinking pussy, man. Duh.
You were thinking, I'm going to get me this here nigger, and I'm going to tell her, you just no good nigger. And his dick was so mad at him. He's all, you really putting me there, nigger? I ain't never working again.
Hey, wait, Shane. She was light skinned like Morpheus, so I didn't think. She was colored.
Okay, so that makes a difference. Anyways,
she had normal. She didn't have a big nose, and she didn't have big lips. So that's
who are you trying to kid?
So it's okay if she's a mulatto, huh? She couldn't be that one of them dark skinned sisters, huh? No darker the berry, sweeter the juice type bitches, huh?
Yeah.
You was still having a fantasy. You was like, is it cool if I say some racist shit while I'm fucking you? Can I tell you, is this white dick good for you, nigger bitch? No.
You don't want to get anywhere near that Jack in the Box and that budget hotel there across from the Wild Wild West.
Yeah, I know. It's the whole stroll, Mikey. Everybody knows that's the whole
You can
stroll.
rent a room up there for like the hour.
Yeah.
And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Hey, the rest is history. Doesn't really matter, does it?
No. Not really.
I made it to 72.
Yes, you did, buddy. You certainly did.
And I'm working on 73. And I hope Mike goes and sees the doctor. That guy has got some serious fucking issues. He'll be up there with Jim if he doesn't do something.
Who are you talking about?
Cabby Mike. His A1C's at over 10. That's danger zone. You don't fuck around with diabetes. You lose your sight, you lose your feet, and you could have a stroke. Okay.
You lose your dick.
Yep. Well, that's the least of your worries.
Right.
I give up my anything.
hey, you got it. You spelled his name wrong. Fix it. You put Mickey's.
Oh, I certainly did. I certainly did. My apologies. Motherfucker, edit. What the fuck you freezing up for?
Oh, we got a scammer in here again. I'm gonna get rid of him.
Yeah, you do that, Mike.
Yep, I'm removing this guy real fast. There he goes. See you later, dickhead. Oh, I got to remove every one of them. Hide user on this channel. There you go. You're done, buddy. Goodbye. Who the fuck is that anyway?
Just random shit.
That's you, Mike.
That's your dick. That's your dick.
Yeah, that's your dick.
Right there. See, there's a string picking it up.
Weekend at Bernie's.
Your dead dick. Remember those movies, right, Mike? Weekend at Bernie's and Weekend at Bernie's 2?
Yeah.
They're saying you got a dead. They're saying you got a dead dick. Damn. Can we change Mr. Big's name to Dead Dick?
No.
Like that's his official. No more PCM. He always said he wants PCM to be dead. Well, we could call him fucking Dead Dick.
Dead Dick.
What the fuck they said? Tell him to get car jack. What the fuck is carva jack?
Probably something to make your dead dick alive.
Yeah, it's probably some hydraulic lift.
Probably
for your
some
winky
string
buddy.
to put on your dick like that to make it wiggle around.
A solitude. I had a fucking they shot a needle in there, okay, and that still didn't work. So fuck off.
Damn, that is one
I
flaccid.
don't know how many
dick.
people in here could.
That's like a
getting
seriously
needle in.
flaccid dick, dude. 'Cause I know people with ED problems, and the one thing that they can do is they can shoot their dick up, and then they say they're like rock hard for hours. Oh, dude, my baby mama.
I hope I'm still alive when you guys have fucking ED. Okay?
Baby mama.
I'm hoping I'm alive when you guys have fucking
Poor Mike.
Just had to get that real quick.
Mr. Dickhead. Oh, dead dick.
Here we go. It's the
Dead
Mr.
Dick
Dick
Potato Head.
Show.
It's the dead dick.
Yeah, that's all right. Laugh. Funny.
And here was Mikey when he was about to get some of that black pussy. Here you go.
Right. Oh shit.
Yeah, I did get an injection. It didn't fucking work. Okay.
Yeah,
It
that's
didn't
bad.
work.
Like, I mean, every guy, dude. So baby mama, her dad, when my son was like a baby, he like had just found himself single, so he was like going to swingers clubs, and he would like tell me, he'd be like, "Oh, got my shot." I'd be like, "John, I don't want to hear about it." He's all, "Once I shoot this sucker in, I am rock hard for hours." And I'd be like, I don't want to fucking hear it. And he'd go to the swinger clubs, and then he'd tell me, he'd be like, his buddy'd be coming to pick him. Him and his buddy would be going to a swinger club. I'd even be like, isn't that kind of weird and awkward that you and your buddy, a guy, are going to swingers clubs? Aren't you guys kind of the creeps in the bunch? No. Nah, probably are. With his fucking
am I
shot in his
excited.
dick.
Man, am I excited?
Yeah, you're excited to get that black pussy. Then your dick
Hey,
said,
but
no.
Yeah, his dick was like, I
never mess with no purple cookie. I ain't touching it. I ain't doing it. I have hate in my heart, and I'm letting it out. Isn't that right, Mikey?
I had really no idea what the fuck I was doing that night.
Yeah, see, he's still trying to make excuses.
I don't know what I was thinking. I think
yeah.
probably the machine I was on wasn't paying off. So
You were thinking about pussy. It's okay. Men do this.
Okay.
What the fuck is that? Oh!
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
I didn't even click into it.
Yeah.
I'm just like, oh.
Whoa, wait a
Can
minute.
we show that?
I mean,
I don't fucking know, man. You
I
might be able
don't-
to
I
get
don't-
away with it.
I don't think it's
I want to
fucking
hear
bad.
it.
Yeah, I want to hear it. We gotta have the audio.
Yeah.
Performed a ritual where I stuck this up my anus, which is a beautiful rope made of black obsidian to remove impurities, to prepare for this. And I stuck this up my butthole, actually using a rubber tree condom, because most condoms are made by slaves and they're made of fake rubber. This company actually makes real rubber. They're called Glide, made ethically in Australia. So I put that on there and I just stuck it up. Now, in our culture, that would be called gay behavior. But in ancient cultures, before the dominator system took over, Spartan men, Edo-Japan men, the alpha males of First Nations tribes, as well as the double soul shamans, the druids, the Celtic warriors, before battle, they would suck each other's nipples. They would massage the mushroom meridian, the heart meridian right here, just to prepare for battle. So all these things are actually warrior technologies. Doesn't that sound so much better? Warrior technology.
No, still sounds like it's some general faggotry, buddy. Sounds like some general faggotry. You're trying to make it sound like gangster and shit. That ain't Sparta, bitch. That's
sure.
a gay club.
No, you're average. Yeah, there were some gays and
Shane over there choking.
no. Now we got some problems here, okay? First problem is fucking alpha warriors did not go around tickling each other's fucking mushroom heads. I call it bullshit. Yeah, there was some fags back then, and they were actually, a lot of those cultures were more accepting than more modern cultures, believe it or not. But I'm pretty sure Celtic warriors were like, yeah, lad, come on over here. And, fucking lifting it up his skirt and letting the other guy, tickle his dilly, dude, fucking. I'm pretty sure that wasn't.
These were ancient times.
Ancient times calls for ancient homosexuality.
Yeah.
Could you imagine we're about to fight? I'm like, dude, get over here and tickle my dick. I want to fucking tickle yours. We're going to fucking kill him tomorrow. Tickle, bitch.
Right.
Looking at nobody will let me suck their dicks.
Just like that.
Yeah, basically.
Oh, wow.
What your text, sir? I'm pretty sure that guy is not straight, though.
There was a little sweetness in his voice.
I don't even think he was joking. I don't think that
set
was
off my gaydar like a
I don't think that was a joke. I think he was like serious.
Yeah, I think he was seriously gay for sure.
And I think he seriously meant what he was saying.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm certain he meant it, but he.
Oh yeah, I had to stick out my butt for a good.
My gaydar was going.
Hey, his fucking old butt sheep here is being quiet because remember he did a fucking anal cleansing, so he's like,
hey.
Nobody's over here.
He was professionally having his rotor rooted. Leave him alone,
dude. It doesn't matter. He was having someone pump stuff in his bunghole and sucking it back out.
Hey, they were pulling out water and crap and nasty shit from like.
He's they pumped me full of a bunch of fucking what did you say? Like a bunch of fucking gallons of water. They stuck it up my butt and sucked it out. Big deal.
Bad diet. Look how buff he is now. You wish you were that buff, motherfucker.
Not if I gotta get my butthole.
You wish you were that buff. Dude, you only made one arm big by jacking off.
No, if I have to get my fucking shape back by letting somebody suck it out my asshole, it ain't happening. I'm gonna get fatter. I'm gonna get people be like, oh, why is Shane getting fatter? And be like, well, Morpheus told me that's the whole reason why sheep got skinny because they're sucking shit out his butt. And I'm like, no way. So I'm just gonna get fatter, I guess. And people be like, what are you talking about? I'm like, trust me, sucks. My buddy stuffing his butt sucked out.
Chris, when Shane dies from that gnarly ass cancer and we go to his funeral and shit, are you gonna mention that he could have saved his life by flushing out his butthole, flooding all them toxins out of his asshole?
He does every day with his bidet.
Yeah. He's got 3 settings: low, mild, and kind of gay. Kind of gay.
No, it's fucking 14-inch aquadong is what it is.
14-inch aquadong.
Yeah, you even if you're clenching tight, you're like, okay, I can handle it this time. Clenching all fucking tight, and then you turn that sucker on. You're like, you don't realize it, and you're like, okay, I'm good to go. Then you put it on high, and then it's, oh shit, retreat. No matter how tight you keep that fucker, aquadong setting gets you.
Yeah, you went into the bathroom all masculine to take a shit. You came out talking all sweet like a lady.
Jennifer, I'm not sure if I like this gift that she got me. Why? I feel quite violated.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty bad,
I
buddy.
do feel awkwardly satisfied. It's fucking. I don't like it. I barely ever use that thing. Jenny uses it more than I do. I think she really got it for her. She just knew that because I have a fucked up sense of humor, I'd be like, hell yeah. I'm like showing it off and putting pictures of it like on Facebook, like, got me Christmas present. It's a bidet.
I can't believe there's still 9 people watching this.
I know, right?
Yeah, no shit, right?
There's only one on the backup channel. That's
There's only
probably
one on the
me.
backup channel.
Yeah, that's probably me.
Dude, it's normal. It's not normal to get fucking a bunch of shit blown up your asshole and then sucked back out, and you're just bent over like, oh. Black Sheep was all, I'll see you next week. Fucker did it 3 times in less than a month, Black Sheep?
Some shit.
Yeah, he's trying to forget it. He's trying to be like, oh, just.
Hey, do you realize that there's a lot of food that just stays up there and just lays dormant?
Hey, Sheep, have you had a coffee enema yet?
A coffee enema?
He's like, Sheep's like, no, I've just had dick enemas and where they shove water up there and suck it out of the shop vac.
I don't know.
What sort of warrior sticks that up their butt?
Right, seriously.
Right? Can you imagine they're all fucking ready for war? Whoa! And they're like helping each other out, shoving the thing up their butt. Oh man. I think that's probably some leftist propaganda there.
Probably, yes. Probably.
I mean,
definitely gay agenda for sure.
But they do say that a lot of pirates, when they were out at sea, that they were fucking each other.
They be after some booty.
Yeah, or swapping the poop deck.
What the fuck, really?
Yeah, swabbing the poop deck. And where did this verbiage all come from? Think about it.
Captain Blackhawk remembers when he gave Shaney Boy his first pearl necklace.
Haven't you guys ever read that or heard that? Like, they even taught us that in school. That was before the gay agenda. That there was, because back then everyone's like, ew, what? And they were like, yeah, it would happen. They just didn't really, But when they hit fucking shore, they were back to screwing women and children.
I thought they were just like plunderers. They raped women.
They plundered.
All that shit. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Whale miner. What sort of warrior sticks that up their butt? Wow. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Probably not a very masculine one there, buddy.
Apparently, all of our fucking chocolate disappeared. Jennifer just called me on the phone. She didn't even come in here. I'm like, so someone broke into our house and just took the fucking Hershey's and nothing else. Well, it wasn't me that ate all those Hershey's. I wouldn't have eaten them. I'm not a fat ass. Why would I eat like 4 bars of Hershey's in like 2 days? Morpheus, did you break into my house and steal the chocolate?
No, if I break into your house, I'm stealing your girlfriend, fool.
Good luck with that.
Just so you know.
She'd kick your ass.
She'll come willingly, dog. She knows me. It's all good.
No.
She's
remember, she says she tried black and don't
Yeah. As you guys keep pointing out, I'm not black enough, so don't worry, buddy.
You ain't black enough for my mom. That's for sure.
Don't worry.
Really,
don't worry, I'm good.
My stepdad's like 10 shades darker than you.
All I have to do is talk to her in Spanish, Shane, and it's over for you.
No,
buddy.
she's been with
It's
one
done.
of them too.
It's done for you, man.
That's what she was with before.
It's no
me.
problem. You're done.
No, maybe
you're gone, Güero. You're gone, Güero.
You're Chinese. If anything, it'd be your Chinese that would have a chance.
Oh, that's okay. I kung fu your ass. I steal her ass.
She'd be like, well, Nope, you still black.
No.
She
You
learned.
guys
her
keep
lesson.
pointing out. I'm not black enough.
Mr. Dead Dick.
Oh my God.
Mr. Dead Dick in his head of fun.
Now be sure you get a chance to read that book though, man. That book that I sent you.
Yeah.
Es muy importante.
Yeah. There's the bike gang here. To join, you have to bum a goat. They only have 2 members. Ooh. Well, that'd be pretty fucked up. If I was in the Middle East, they'd have 1 million members. They'd all be.
Reminds me of that Angus joke. Do they call me Angus, the bridge builder? No, but you fuck one goat.
Wow.
There's a bike gang here. To join, you have to bum a goat, and they only have 2 members. What the hell?
Well, here's the question: do they use the same goat?
Yeah.
Because if so, Mad Dog will fucking jump in on that shit.
Yep.
At the same time?
Where's he at? Is he still watching?
Who, Mad Dog? Yeah, probably not. He probably went to bed.
Probably went to sleep, yeah.
He probably went to sleep. He tuned in for a little bit. No.
Hey, I'm gonna get off of here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, me too.
Call it.
Call it, Mr. Dead Dick.
All right, guys, like the video, subscribe, ring the bell. We'll see you
Buy
tomorrow.
some cheap toe.
Win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo, 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 shooting to the moon,
And go.
I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm. I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm. Let's go, guys. Palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm. Lambo, yellow, Lambo, win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo. I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. We wanna palm, palm. Let's go, guys. Palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. We wanna palm, palm, palm.
A friend of mine that's a psychologist about you and your feet fetish. They said that's really a deep problem with you.
Yeah, it probably is. I was fingered as a kid. Listen, B8 fucking.
The boys are calling crazy girl. I hope she sings this tonight. I know. Hey guys, pull over. We need gum.
Come on. Oh, honey? Here's some money.
What do we got here? Hello.